CPI comes in on forecast. The markets like it. This is good. The markets are happy. CPI comes in. The actual year-on-year actual was 6%. Forecast 6%, previous 6.4. This is great. We are now in for a great day here on the markets. Welcome, good morning, and welcome. Exciting day today. Everything is going to be up today. It's going to be a wonderful day. Get ready for CPI. Here we go. Let's get ready into it. So the actual right on forecast, US CPI year on year actual 6%, forecast 6%, previous 6.4. This is great news. This is a CPI special. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Everyone, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up. Let's get ready for an explosive day. All the markets are up. I'm ready. Are you? Let's have a fun day. This is what investing is all about. Been continually buying now for month after month. In fact, a year and a half I've been buying non-stop. So let's get ready. Let's just zoom this screen in here a minute. There we go. There's 35,000 my overall position. Let me check my Roth IRA. Breaking news here, by the way. Virgin Orbit up nearly 9% this morning. 9%. That's right. We've got new records popping in all over the place. So let's look at it right now. Here we go. So go over to my phone and you can see our overall portfolio is 35,175,000 and we're up at the moment 1%. My Roth IRA is up 1.92. The reason for that is if we scroll down, Virgin Orbit has some breaking news this morning, 8.11 right now. Absolutely fantastic. It's a big part of my Roth IRA. So overall, my balance is now 44,534. We should hit 45,000 today. Of course, we'd have liked to have seen it beat expectations, but nevertheless, still good. Okay, so let's get straight into it and welcome everybody to the show. If it's your first time here, please do click subscribe and ring the bell. We go live up to 10 hours a day. There's some more information just coming in now to the studio. Let me read it. 22 says right on forecast CPI for all items rise 0.4 in February. Brit Mark, Ali Tizro 5.5. Eric B, good morning to you. There goes BTC. Shall we have a look at BTC right now? Yes, we're up 2.68 this morning as well. Let's have a look at BTC. We can go over to our crypto challenge and share that with you as well. So let's have a quick look at what we're doing here. Ali Tisro, let's not forget that inflation is still rising. Indeed, all it means is it's rising at a slower pace. That's all it means. Okay, we need to make sure we understand that, and we do. Okay, let's make a slight adjustment here on the screen. Just bear with me a second. Let's bring this onto the screen. There we go. There you go. There's Bitcoin right now, as you can see, up today, 2.92. Looking very nice indeed. I hold a position on my ledger. It's locked away for safekeeping. It's not going anywhere. And that's all good. The overall portfolio is up now 0.91. Let's see what's moving. The S&P. We're trying to buy some S&P on the drop. Let's go over to some more information on our CPI data. Let's zoom on in. Here we go. So, here we go. Core inflation year on year. Let's bring it up right now. Here we go. The consumer price inflation rate in the United States, which excludes volatile items such as food and energy, eased for a fifth consecutive month to 5.5 year on year in February of 2023, the lowest since December 2021. Okay, this is looking good. Let me zoom in for you so you can get a bit more. There you can see it for yourself. There you go. And let's come out of here and look at the next thing. Inflation rate year on year. The inflation rate. Let's look at this one as well. The inflation rate in the US reached 6% in February, slowing for an 8th straight month and marking the lowest level since 2021 September. The reading came in line with market forecasts and compares to 6.4 in January. Okay, good stuff. We like all this. So, are we in for a good day today? Let's certainly hope so. Let's see how it all pans out. Here we go. Let's not forget that inflation is still rising, and now the Fed is being forced to stop raising rates. What do you think that means for inflation? Will not end well. That's correct. We need to keep on bringing inflation down. Ali Tizro, I don't think we will end green. Don't do it, Martyn. The market is going to tank in the coming weeks, in my opinion. Save your money. Well, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm starting to mass up my my cash to put in because my Roth IRA is virtually maxed out. I've only got $3,000 to go. Then it's going to start going into my brokerage account, which I can earn 4%, and building up cash, waiting for bigger drops. Lorenzo, may God bless everyone investment. Thank you very much, Lorenzo Hill. The Church of Logic, more banks set to be going under this week. I don't care how good the CPI is, it won't matter, says Church of Logic. Let's not abuse Martyn today, guys. They're already licking their chops. Ricky Dominic, how are you, mate? I can take it. Don't you worry about that. Over on TikTok, good morning to all of you. Welcome, welcome. Over on TikTok, thank you for all the likes. Ed Nevius, I see us tapping the likes. If this morning on TikTok you become my top gifter, sometimes that can be for one rose, like 0.00001 cent. You can actually be my top gifter. I will follow you back. Why that's important is if you're a TikToker and you want to grow, I've got nearly 32,000 followers now, 31.8, something like that. And I'm here to help people, and I love helping people. So if you become my top gifter, by the end of the show, I will follow you back and tag you in my viral posts. I only ever follow my top gifters, members and subscribers. If you click the little star up here and become a subscriber, you get exclusive content. Plus, I answer all your questions. Plus, I make videos for you and do a commercial. I put your video, your channel on this screen behind me and make a commercial. You're watching my YouTube broadcast, which is where the real traders and real investors are. So if you are a real investor, a real trader, you shouldn't be on TikTok. You should be watching me on YouTube because you get much more information. You see all my trades. On the phone, you're looking at the side of my face, looking at the TV screen. So come and join me. Links in the profile. It's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. All right. Time to place your super chat bets. I like it. All right. I'll be the guy who drinks for money on YouTube. I'll do it. I'll be the guy who takes all the bets for making funny videos and silly dances. I'll do it because I will make the money and I'll reinvest it in my portfolio. Absolutely. You carry on. I'm totally up for that. Good morning, everyone. Extremely risky right now to be in the market. I'll be watching closely. How the bank situation turns out in 2008 all over again. If I had all my income in the market, I would sell everything off. I got to be honest, church, I wouldn't do that at all. I do the very opposite. I'm staying invested. I'm leaving all my money in. I'm not going anywhere. I've got no margin. I'm in a very safe position. So anyway, let's get ready. The broadcast lounge is open for all of you who wanted to be on the in Discord. So let me just make an adjustment here. This button. Let me just change. In fact, I won't do it on the show. I won't do it on the show. I don't think I can do it on the show, can I? I won't worry about it. I'll leave it for now. Let's have a look. Inflation running at 5.5 and the Fed wants it to be 2%. The only way they can achieve this is by raising rates. But now they can't raise rates because it will push the banks under. It's a no-win situation. 22, where are we going to go? It's very, very different to 2008. I think it is. So let's look at all our positions. Here we go. Let's raise that there. All right, we got it. The S&P is up 0.61. Virgin Galactic is up 1.97. Virgin Orbit is 8.11. Fantastic. Now, are we going to sell it when we get back to zero? If we get back to zero and get out of it. Rivian, let's reload that position. Tesla up 1.32. Lucid is up 0.14. We've got 40 minutes to go. No, 45 minutes to go before the bell goes. Apple is up 0.53. Amazon is up 0.95. Sharing the love on the TikTok today. Ed Nevius, thank you very much. They are kicking. They can't hear me. They can't hear me on TikTok. How come everyone's still watching if they can't hear me? That's bizarre. Hang on a minute. Let's have a look. One, two. Is that better? Can you all hear me now? Apparently I wasn't plugged in. Can hear you. You can all hear me now better right now, yeah? I can't believe you've all been there all this time and you're just saying it now. What the heck's going on? That doesn't make any sense. How come I've had nearly 100 people watching me for 20 minutes in silence? This is the secret, guys. Just make videos when I drink. People like that. Hiya, Leah, all right? And also just do it in silence. It makes no sense. It was fine, what was it? Okay. All right. I heard the whole time. Does it sound different now, though? Does it sound better now? I'd imagine it sounds better now, though, right? Because now it's through a microphone. Been hearing you, you never saw. Thank you so much, anyway. Thank you very much indeed. Right, let's move on. Amazon is up today. McDonald's is up 0.07. Coca-Cola up 0.23. We got the dividends on the 16th. It's your last day to be in today. If it's going to settle, that is. Your stock's going to settle. J&J is up 1.25. Google up 0.86. Microsoft up 0.54. Walmart up 0.12. Tesco is down 0.22. Next Era Energy is flat. Enphase Energy is up 1.17. Bitcoin today is up 3%. Let's check, because I know you all want to see this. Tilray up 2.46. Might be a time to buy some more Tilray if you want to. It's actually not that different, Ali. The catalyst is different, but the situation is very similar. Banks are too exposed to the bond market and they've been caught out by the rate rises. Liquidity crisis. The housing market is much stronger now. They read lips. Ricky, Dominic, maybe they do. Thanks, Leah. Leah just bought me a cup of coffee. Yes, in fact, it's tea. It's tea at the moment. She always brings me tea first, and then she brings me coffee. That's how it goes. Banks losing too much money because they can't return money promised from deposits. Rates went up too fast with many people having no cash. Andrew Grady, here he is the Grady Bunch. What's going on with Copin earnings today? Shall we have a look? Oh, you knew it. You knew you'd get me on that one, right? Copin. So, as you all know, I was told, I was given $20 last night. I could buy Copin. And I was told I would lose out if I didn't buy it. Let's have a look. It's down 2.97. I was right again. Martyn Lucas, right again. If you've noticed, guys, I'm right every day. Have you noticed that? There you go. Shall I look into my crystal ball and tell you what's going on today? What's occurring? Do you want to know what's occurring? All right, here we go. Looking into my crystal ball because I'm always right. I'm a professional YouTuber, which makes me right, okay? Now, the fact of the matter is, we've got people here today being very pessimistic, saying that I'm going to be red today. Let me tell you, I am going to have a really good green day today. We're taking bets. Am I going to be green by the end of the day? And you're all going to give me super chats? Or are we going to... or am I going to apologise and make a video and say I was wrong? I'm never wrong. If you've watched this show every day, you'll know I'm right every day. There's my crystal ball. It's going to be a green day today, and everything is good, and it's a good day. You ready? I might even say it's going to be off the charts. I haven't yet decided. All right? Oh, one of my dear friends. Here he is. I want everyone to welcome back the first original gold member, has been for over a year. That's why he's got a gold badge. He bought everybody mugs. He's given us vital information. He joined my show at the very beginning. He's not been here for quite a while because his dad is not very well and he's a family man. All right. I want everyone to welcome back my dear friend Muzanella. Is in the house. He gives lots of great information on Discord. A wonderful person, a friend of mine, and he's back in the house after months away. There you go, literally months away. This is a very special member of our family. He's been a gold member since the beginning, never missed, and he's been a rock, really has, to the channel. Welcome back, Moose. He's the original member. Welcome back, Moose. There we go. I want copy and paste. He's been away because his dad's not been very well and he's been struggling with family issues like that. So welcome back, Moose. Lovely to have you back. I prefer physical metal, Ali, but our thinking is the same, says 22. Tesla is rocketing. Let's have a look. This is coping. We talked about it earlier. Vanguard, the S&P. Virgin Galactic is going up. Virgin Orbit is up 8.1%. Hi, Martin, and all. Rivian is doing well. This could be a massive, massive FOMO. I am not buying anything on the way up. Absolutely not. People are going to get caught into buying everything on the way up, and that's great. They'll take my portfolio up today. That's great. This could be a really good day. I'm buying absolutely nothing. I'm only buying what's down. Let's read some of these comments here. There will be a lot of people moving money around this week, trying to keep a max of 250 at any one institution. Yeah, that's who's got 250 grand. I haven't. Anyone who thinks the housing market is strong right now, LOL, clearly hasn't worked in real estate. All the signs are here that mortgage will be next after the bank liquidation. BTC is your own bank. People need to wake up to the Ponzi of fractional reserve, the Ponsky of fractional reserves. Ali, would you explain what that means, please? Hey, Moose, Mike, here he is, one of our original members as well. Lido, Andrew Grady, would you like me? Is that something you want me to look at? Thank you, Mike, says Mozart. Lido, XRP, ICP, Cardano, Algorand, Quant, and Radix to the moon. It's all happening. Ali, Tisro, let me check this morning my my ledger. Let's see how it's moved. 929. Let me refresh it. It's now at 940. There we go. My crypto is going up in my safe location on my ledger. There it is. Let's have a look at the heat map as well. Also, let's go over to Coinbase where we're doing our crypto challenge. Let's have a quick look. 1,086. Look at that. 1,086 started at 1,000. We're moving very nicely now, Ali. The assets are paying off. Let's look at the heat map. Remember, it's always 15 minutes behind, but you can see everything's glowing right in the center. The banks, Bank of America up 4.61 today. Very nice indeed. The leader is the Bank of America, up 4.61. Did you buy it yesterday? We talked about buying the banks yesterday. Yesterday was the day, not today. Overall position, let's have a look. 35,193. My Roth IRA is up 1.82. Overall now, 44,000. So the question I'm going to ask you, you know what I'm going to ask you, because I'm very bullish today. Here we go. Let's start a poll and say, will I hit 45,000 today? Will I hit 45,000 today? So in other words, do you think it's going to be a green day? That's essentially what we're saying. Yes or no. There you go. I think I will. I think I will. But I won't be buying anything. Not a damn thing. I'm buying when it comes down. Tesla is rocketing, according to Ricky. Let me go over to that once again and take a look. Up 2%. Lucid is up. Let me just lighten my screen up a little bit. It's a little bit dark. There we go. That's a bit better. Lucid. Apple is up 1% at the moment. Nice. Amazon is up 1.42. McDonald's 1.59. I want to buy some. Oh, Coca-Cola is still down. It's up to date, but I'm still out of the money on it. I could still buy some. J&J up 1.25. Still a good time to buy J&J. Google is up 0.9. Microsoft is up 0.65. Walmart is up 0.12. Let's go to our first commercial break and then the breakfast bar on Discord. If you've not accessed the Discord bar, the Discord, you can get in there and chat to everybody, share your views. Here is our Discord. It's free, but if you want to reach all the premium channels, you want to speak to Moose, Ali, Tizro, for all their tips, my tips, what I'm doing. My tips are rubbish, though. Don't listen to me. There you go. There's Discord. You need to be a member of our channel. Let me go to a quick commercial break, bring everybody up to date. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're now going out in 13 different languages. If you smash the like button right now, if we get 100 likes during the show, we will give away a $10 cash prize for free, paid out during the show. All right, shall we go over and see how many people have already liked the video? Let's have a look. Are you ready? Let's bring Mr. Mini-Me on the screen and let's see if we can get 100 likes during the show. You ready? We've got 30 watching right now. Let's zoom on in. Smash the like button. 30 watching and let's got 10 likes. So we want 30 likes in 30 seconds. Go. You ready? There's the likes. 11, 12. We're off. If we hit 100, we'll give away a cash prize during the show. We're at 12 over on TikTok. Come and join us on YouTube. If we get to 100 likes, we will give away a $10 cash prize paid out in crypto or whatever you like. Cash App, PayPal. 13, 14, 12 seconds left to go. Let's get to at least 20, guys. Come on, we're nearly there. Let's blow the horn. 13, 14, we're going up. You're a bit slow, a bit behind the show this morning. What's going on? 15, 16. There you go. We're moving up now. Brilliant stuff. 17. We're on the way up. We're on the way up. Very, very nice indeed. Let's get rid of Mr. Mini-Me. Get him off the screen, and let's get back into it. Here we go. All right. Oh, what a day it's going to be today. What a day it's going to be. You ready? Okay, welcome back, Moose. Tesla, welcome back, Moose. Thank you, Mike, for doing that. Appreciate that so much indeed. There is no crystal ball. God bless you with knowledge. I like it, Lorenzo Hill. I got no knowledge, mate. I just guess like everybody else. I'm Martin and all. Moose, how are you? Welcome back. Hi, church. I opened a 125% long on Bitcoin 1 minute before CPI. Oh, Ali Tisro, look at that. Ali, does that mean you win big? Yes, it does. Kevin Connolly. Hi, Martin. I thought BT was definitely going to crash. Kevin, it is. Kevin, he keeps coming on. Kevin Connolly is one of those people who's been on TikTok, and I make my statements, I stand by my statements, but what people do not seem to understand on TikTok is it's all about timing. I said yesterday it was Black Monday. If you were here pre-market, everything went down and I bought the discounts. It was a great day to buy discounts yesterday. You could have bought Bank of America at a 6-year low. I do not understand people on TikTok who miss the timing and the context. I aim to be the most honest, real, most open and honest YouTube channel there is. Okay, everything I say is my real money, my real shares, my real positions. I couldn't be more clear. I couldn't be more honest, but you have to watch it in context and you have to watch it at the right time and you have to act on it. Bank of America and the banks, Bank of America particularly, was at a 6-year low yesterday. And now it has completely flipped. It's an 8% swing today. If you didn't take advantage of it, if you're not, whatever, that I can't help it. Bitcoin, we still believe 100% is it's going to go down before it breaks out. This is a short-term bounce, great, but I cannot predict the future. This is just what I believe. This is what I'm doing with my money, and so far, I'm very happy with my positions. You can judge me on my results, but never judge me on the fact that I'm making up stuff or whatever. I'm always telling the truth. I'm not interested in trying to get views or clicks or anything. I'm here to build the most honest YouTube channel on YouTube. Here's my actual money. I am now up. Look, here's my Roth IRA. Let me show you exactly. And here's my overall position. I've got no margin. I've got no debt. I'm 100% going up. This is my position. This is my real money. And there you go. All right. When's this crash going to happen? Says Kevin Connolly. You got to give it patience. You can make some money on the way up, but always be aware it will go lower. That's what I believe. You don't have to agree with me, and that's absolutely fine. That's absolutely fine. It's only my opinion. At the end of the day, I know no more than anybody else. You know it, I know it, we all know it, okay? I put 2 videos out, one about day trading, another one about the difference between cash account and margin account without a 25,000 to day trade. Muzanella, I want to do something for you then this morning because you are a gold member. It's the very least I could do. So wait a second. Wait 1 second. Let me do something for you right now. Don't you dare go away. Stay right where you are. I know you've got family concerns are always with you. But let me do something for you in a minute. I'll come back to that. Why are you buying bank stocks? I'm not buying bank stocks. I'm not buying bank stocks. I'm simply making the point of what happened to the markets. That's what I'm doing. Someone's coming in saying, you got it wrong or whatever. Didn't get anything wrong. Let me close that a minute. 22. I want this one here. Okay, I'm about to do something for one of our members. Here we goes. Okay, here we go. Right, now then, once we get into it in a few minutes, Moose, are you still here? Are you still here? Because I want to do something for you in a second. Get people on here saying BTC is your own bank. Got people on here saying BTC is your own bank. Bloody hell, says Church of Logic. It is, said Andrew Grady. And Ali Tisro says, well, it is. Do you guys understand what a bank is? I love it. LOL, Mozart, we're having a bit of a argy-bargy this morning. Bank isn't a place to hold your money. Smash the likes at Eric B. Andrew Grady. Guess gold is back too. I can't take this rubbish talk this morning. I'm out of here. Church of Logic is out of here. He's had enough. He's had enough this morning. Right. Bye-bye, says Ali Tisra. Oh, come on, Churchy, what's going on? I'm out of the money. I'm donating my kidney for your membership. I'm all out of money thinking of donating my kidney for your membership, Martin. Ricky Dominic, you should absolutely be a member. It's only a couple of bucks a month, and you get 20 times back what you put in. Everybody does. That's why everyone is a member. Nearly every single person here is a member. Moose, have you come in with your different account? Moose was here earlier. He's changed account. Hang on a minute. Moose, let me scroll up. Let me just make sure a minute. Moose and Ella has just changed account. Hang on. Let me come up to the top. Where is he a minute? I want to make sure a second. Moose and Ella. Moose. Where is he? That's Mike. Hi all. Is this a different account, Mike? Muzanella. You're still a gold member, right? I just need to make sure. I need to make sure that are you still? Is this a different account? You're still a member, right? Anyway, I just need to make sure. My next video will be about XRP because I'm going to do something for you in a second. PPI tomorrow, same time. I'll be there. 22. Please take the time. Please take the time. The video I posted. Subscribe, like. Yes. Here we go. Hang on a minute. Right. This is the one, because this hasn't got your badge next to it. The reason why I'm saying it is people will say only members get promoted on their channels. So Moose is a member. I think he's using the different account. Okay, guys, I know that Moose is a member. So I want everyone to, Moose, either be a member on this channel or use the other channel, because we've got lots of people watching that don't know who you are, and they're more likely to subscribe to the channel I'm about to put on the screen if they know you're a member, okay? Everyone subscribes to my members. Here we go. Here's Moose's channel. Let me share with you on the screen. This is it. Trading Without Emotions, Mozart. Here is his channel, look. And here are his videos he's just put out. And there you go. So he's now at 1,030 subscribers. So I want that to go to 1.04. See it there, look? I want that to go to 1.04 in the next few minutes. All right, there's his channel. Okay, Moose. Let's. I'm going to come back in a minute, and I want that to go to 1.04. Okay, that is 1,030. That's what that is. Let me refresh it, see if it's moved. 1.03. Not yet. Not yet. It does it in tens. Most of my members here are subscribed, but we'll come back to that in a minute. All right, let's get to 1.04 for my mate Moose. All right? Okay, let's get into it. We've got half an hour to go. Welcome everybody on TikTok. The stock market is the sessions live. Few understand it. The stock market is like sessions live. Few understand it. Stephen Moreau, how are you? The person that said the bank is not for holding money is broke, says Stephen Moreau. Come and join us on YouTube. You're very welcome, Moose. Just consider being a member on this channel as opposed to the other one, because if you're going to promote a channel, it's much better if everyone sees you as a member. Everyone will support you if you're a member. All right? Okay? A lot of people here don't know who you are. Okay, very, very important. Okay. Not long to go now, 27 minutes before the bell goes. Let's have a quick look and see how busy we are right now. We've got 122 through the show so far. Very, very nice indeed, as you can see there. This is the topic of the day. 6,768 subscribers. Let's see where we finish up today. 30 watching, 22 likes. We haven't quite got 30 likes yet. Let's go over to the breakfast bar this morning and give everyone the Discord link. If you want to talk to our traders and investors, here is the Discord link. There it is. And let's go into the breakfast bar right now. This is your ticket to the show. You have to go into the breakfast bar in the morning. It's what you got to do. Who's made a comment this morning? We've got Ali Tizro yesterday was in Switzerland. What happened, Ali? What happened with your cup? Did it go in the recycling yesterday? And we were all trying to talk to you when you were on the plane, by the way. So you lost signal. Britt Mark says good morning. Mike says good morning. Where is everybody else? Where is everybody else this morning? The broadcast lounge is open. If you want to call in and have your say, you can be live on the show. You can call in and have your say, just like our other investors did. Here's a little taster of some of our investors. Here's Church, who's just stormed off. He said, I'm not having all this bank talk. There's Eric B. Here he is.
Needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the day trader. Amazing guy. Very honest, very open, packed with loads of information, doesn't feed into the baloney that we hear in the markets every day. Oh my gosh, we're going to only go up. We're never going to go down. Again, daily on the show every morning, every afternoon. I make sure I don't miss a beat. The Day Trader Show with Martyn Lucas, everyone.
Hey, Church of Logic, you're missing the beat now. Where have you gone? Where have you gone?
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
Welcome to The Day Traders. This show is pretty an awesome show. I have been supporting it ever since the lockdown has started in the period.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to be. Follow this man. He's beautiful. He is the Rocket Man. I thought I was. His name is Martyn Lucas.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he...
There you go. There's some of our traders. So you can be like that. You can just call in audio, or you can call in via a camera as well. So if you want to call in, the broadcast lounge is open. If you want to share your thoughts on the market right now, please do call in. If you're over on TikTok, come and join us. No need for luck if one has skill. No need for luck. Stephen, well, we shall see. You need a little bit of luck, to be honest. You need a little bit of luck. And to be honest with you, most people do. Most people, the greatest investors in the world can't beat the S&P 500. I mean, at the end of the day, it's educated, you work hard, you study, you research, you don't take silly risks. But at the end of the day, there's still luck involved. You have to have some luck. You don't know if Elon Musk is going to wake up in the morning and dump all his stocks, do you? You've got no idea. Anyway, this is our portfolio looking pretty good. Coca-Cola is, Coppin. This is the one that our friend, who was it? Jason Fallon, I think it was, gave me $20 on a super chat and says, go and buy it. There you go. Muzanella. He's in with his other account now. There you go. Right, see? You all know that Muzanella is the real deal, right? So I want everyone to go and subscribe to this channel. Most of my members have done it. This is a great, great investing channel. And Muz is one of our gold members, has been for the longest time. And I want everyone to subscribe to it. Now, he's over 1,000 now, so we can only see it in batches of 10. So we can't see it going up one by one, but it's 1.3. So would everyone kindly click subscribe? It's a great, great insight into the markets. Let's help one of our founder members, original members of our channel. I'm going to click on it now. I want to see 1.04. It's got to go up at least 10, and everyone here is already a subscriber, so it might be difficult to move it at the moment. 1.03. I will come back. Jason Fallon, here he is, coping this morning. Well, it was you, wasn't it? It was you, wasn't it, telling me to buy coping, right? It was you. Mr. Lucas told you yesterday this week will be good. I said this week would be good. I said yesterday would be red, and I was right. And you were wrong, and that's why you had to give me a super chat and then got told off by your wife because you're spending too much money. Is your wife there, by the way? Mohammed Kahain the other day, one of our gold members here, he was told to leave the marital bed. He was told to leave the bedroom because his wife was unhappy with how much he was spending on super chats. Coping, there you go. Check general chit chat. I'm going in there now. George Semaine, it was you. You see, once again, you've got to listen. I tell you what, George, you've got to start listening to me. Because remember, there is only one person on YouTube who has this magic crystal ball. I told you it'd be red yesterday. I was right. I told you it'd be green this week. It will. I told you Copen wasn't a good investment. Crystal ball knows all. I keep telling people don't listen. It's going to be a green day today. Are you ready? Smash the like button. Get ready. Green. It's going to be a good day. And come on. It might even be off the charts today. Do you like that? I've got a little sideshow now with my little mini-me's. Do you like that? It's pretty good, isn't it? Right, so let's get ready. Hey, Jason, I said the same thing to myself. It wasn't me, but I'm coping with all the green, though. It wasn't you, Jason. It was George Semaine. It wasn't me. Shaggy, it wasn't me. There we go. All right, let me check. Have we got Moose's... we've got 15 minutes to go, so we're having some fun here. CPI was great today. It's, as forecast, 1.03. I want to see 1.04. Come on. We need a couple more subscribers and we'll be there. It goes up in tens. I know most of you have subscribed to it. I posted it on general. Let me go over. There's the link. Let me go over now to general chit chat. General chit chat from Ali Tizro. What has he posted? What has he posted? Here we go. Here we go. What have we got here? BYB Tether, BTC PERP. What am I looking at? Join and claim over 5,000 in bonuses. Hello, what's all this here? Join and claim and over 5,000 in bonuses. What's all that about? Would you explain what that's all about, Ali? What are you promoting this morning? What are you using? What are you promoting on my YouTube channel this morning? What are you doing this morning that I don't know about? What's going on? Right. I want to know. I want to know. I want to know what's going on. Was green, although S&P was slightly red. Yes. Good morning, family. Ed Nevius. Hi, Ed. Good morning. Good morning. It wasn't me, but coping with all the green. Use the crystal ball. Use the real crystal ball. I told you, it's on a shelf. It's over. I still haven't got anywhere to put it to get a camera on it. I'm going to get another camera, Bill, and put a camera on it. That's what we'll do. George Semaine is smiling. You can smile. Cartoon are for kids. We're all kids here. I need more views and likes for my videos. You do. You do, Moose. You do. You need to come on the show and phone in. If you come on as a guest... If you phone in as a guest, and you can do that at Moose because you're a gold member, if you come onto the show as a guest, I guarantee everyone will watch your videos. You've got to come on as a guest, all right? That's what you got to do. I'm telling you what to do. I'm trying to help you, Moose. I'm trying to help you. You got to put the work in. None of this just sitting around lazy. None of that stuff. You got to come on the show. You got to come on the show. You come on the show. We'll help you. Right, let me have a look. Let's see if Ali Tizro's channels, let's see if Moose's channel's moved. 1.03, this better have moved. There's going to be L up in a minute. And I'm sending the Grady Bunch round from Ilogan in Cornwall. Right, 1.03, still on 1.03. It has to go up 10. It has to go up 10. Nice job, Ali. 125 times leverage trade. Flipping heck. Just like the cartoon on the table doing a short. Worry about it on camera. AI. I don't understand the comment, Bill. No idea what's going on here. Right, I need to focus here. This is my real money here. This isn't just entertainment, folks. This is my real bloody money. Right, here you go. You ready? Okay, let's get ready to go. Crow Finance, how are you this morning? Crow Finance used to be one of my subscribers. He's not anymore. I was going to get everyone to subscribe to you then. How are you, Crow Finance? Lovely to see you. Thanks for being here. Who else we got? August. Thanks for joining in. Kevin Graham, CPI. Yes, we've just covered it. CPI, we're watching the markets this morning. This is the CPI. We covered it this morning at the beginning of the show. It's old news now. The annual inflation rate in the US reached 6%, slowing for an 8th month straight and marking the lowest level since September 2021. All right, CPI. We covered it this morning. That's what this show is all about, and we're seeing the markets rally on that news. This is my my position here. This is my Roth IRA at 1.74, and this is my overall position. I asked you, would I reach? Why are you guys always wrong? Why are you guys always wrong, and why am I always right? Will I hit 45,000 today? 64% of you said no. I always know when the majority get it wrong that I'm going to be right. It's kind of my benchmark. So I say yes, I'm with the 36%. I'm 100% convinced I'm going to hit 45,000. 100% confident of that. 100%. 100%. You don't believe me? Stick around and you'll find out in a minute. All right, there you go. 64% of you are so off the mark. It's unbelievable. And if I get it wrong, I will do a Ricky Gervais dance. That's how confident I am. That's how confident I am. So the majority of you, again, are wrong. No rate hike. No rate hike is, you reckon. That's not confirmed, of course. That's not confirmed. We are all Jim Cramers. Every one of us. 44,000. Oh, hello. We're now at 44,906, 909. Use your crystal ball. I know. No one's paying attention. Then no one's listening to the crystal ball every day. Will I get to 45,000 a day? You bet your ass you will. You will get to $45,000 a day, even though the majority of your audience say not. You will. And if you do not, you will perform a Ricky Gervais dance live on the show. Won't need to. Won't need to do that. Won't need to do that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. I won't need to do that. That ain't a worry. That ain't a concern for me. That ain't a concern for me at all. Right. So anyway, where are we now? 44,901. We're shooting up the tree. BTC up nearly 10%. Let's have a look at it. Look at Bitcoin now, 26. I'm holding it. Holding it on my ledger, I am. Whoa, PACW sold at $9 profit. Woohoo, Flutter Edits made some money. Lovely. You will get to the tip of 45,000, just the tip. Oh, what do you reckon? Well, I mean, at the end of the day, I said I would get there. I simply said, would I get to 45,000? That's all I said. Whether I'm close to it or near it is not the point. Will I get to 45,000? That's all I'm talking about. Anyway, we got 12 minutes to go. Very, very exciting day. Is everybody excited? If you're not excited, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Let's check our positions. There you go. 44,890 right now. Getting close. Let's have a quick sip of tea. Love the Jason Fallon. Let's have a conversation. Jason, this is just between me and you, right? Could everyone else just switch off a minute? This is between me and Jason. Jason, you're right. More people are energetic when it's green. But I just want to tell you, Jason, that I'm here every single day. I'm not one of these people who only come on, like Muzanella, only comes on the green days. I'm here on the pain. That's why I'm up, because I'm buying the dips on the red days. I'm always here. There's always energy here from me, Jason. The only people that aren't, the only people who aren't showing energy is the people down that camera lens, down here. That you know who you are. You know who you are. Yes, you, the one hiding behind the sofa now because you've been shorting the hell out of the market. Yeah, you. You know who you are. Just behind the sofa there. I can see you. You don't realise that this camera goes two ways. I can see you. And I'm always full of energy. I'm always positive. And I've been buying the dips now for a year and a half. And let's not be confused 1 minute. I have gone through the biggest losses you've ever seen. No, don't believe me? My all-time position. I am down $41,000. $41,000. Am I down? No. Because when I was up here, I had 10 shares at $10. I kept going, kept going, kept losing, all the way down, building my YouTube channel. We were like 1 subscriber, 100,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, nearly 7,000 subscribers, 31,000 on TikTok. I took all that money. I kept buying, investing. So from 10 shares at $10, I now have 1 million shares at $1. So I'm down $42,000. But I've been digging the ditches for 1.5 years. I've been sitting here. I got margin called. I've been in pain. I've been frustrated. But I kept going because I focused on building the family, digging the ditches, preparing for when the sun was going to come out. Well, digging the ditches, preparing for the rain. And here we are. This is not the bull market. I'm not suddenly saying this is the best thing in the world. We're all going to get rich. It's not. We're still in a bear market. But the bull market will come. Summer I've been saying late spring, summer at the earliest. Probably more towards the end of the year. It doesn't matter when it comes because I ain't retiring and for another 10 million years. I'm not going anywhere. Right. Hang on a minute. Musanella is he in the green room? I'm waiting in the chat room on Discord. Moose, you're not in there. We've got 8 minutes to go. You need to be in here. Here is the chat room here. Moose, the broadcast lounge is here at the bottom. Come in here. This is the broadcast lounge. This is where you call in. It's on the left-hand side of the portfolio. Down the outs of the Discord. Down the outside. I get knocked down, but I get up again. That's right, George Semaine. The thing is, though, mate, I never get knocked down. It's not how many punches, it's not how hard you can punch, because I'm rubbish at punches. When I tried it at school, I was like that, rubbish. It's how many punches you can take. You don't have to be the hardest hitter. If everyone punches you, and you never fall down and you never give up, eventually they get tired. All I've got to do is wear the market out. All I've got to do is take more punches than anybody else. And that's what I've been doing. Anyway, Moose, here's the broadcast lounge. You need to be in here. All right? Come into there and I'll have you on the show. I'm waiting in the chat room on Discord. I think you're in the wrong channel, mate. Are you in the? You need to be in the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Are you in the Martyn Lucas channel? I don't know where you are. Yeah, he's calling me privately. Don't call me privately. Come into the Discord server. You're calling me. Come into the main channel, Moose. So anyway, that's why I can't see you. You are calling me. You're not in the broadcast lounge. It's on the left-hand side. I'll wait for you. I'm here waiting for you. Right, let's have a little look. Let's read these comments. Love the energy. Yes, Ali. Hoping it's going. Going. Where are you going, Ali? It's going. Tell him, Martin. Silly sods. 2 ways. I just had a bit of sexy time. And Ali Tisro is in the chat now. Ali Tisro is in the chat. So hang on a minute. We've got Ali Tisro. Unmute your mic, Ali. Unmute your mic. Ali Tisro, you're live on the show. Good morning. How are you? Back from Switzerland.
Good morning, Martin. Thanks for having me on. To be honest, I just came on the green room just to see if it was working for Musalena, but it seems to be working fine.
Whoa. What do you mean? You just coming in testing? I know my system's working. Don't you come on here telling me, just testing the system for you.
Sorry.
No, I like it. It's a good thing. It's good thinking, mate. It might have been broken, but it's not, is it? It's all right. How are you this morning?
I'm good, thank you. It was a terrible journey back. Luton Airport's probably one of the worst airports in England, but I'll never fly there again.
We were all messaging you in the chat going, I wonder if he gets Wi-Fi on the plane just as he takes off. We were all hoping you'd phone in from the plane, but of course you've got to be in airplane mode, ain't you? You can't be phoning in as you're taking off. That would be naughty, wouldn't it? You'd be in trouble for doing that.
Yes, exactly. I had to turn everything on airplane mode. They even announced that there's too much turbulence and they can't see where they're going, so everyone has to fully shut down their devices.
Yeah. Did they say, because I'm sure they did, Ali, I'm sure they did. Did they say to you, please go into airplane mode and don't use your Facebook? And that also includes phoning in to the Martyn Lucas Investor Show. Did they actually say that? I bet they did.
Exactly. They did say that. They did mention your channel.
They did. I tell you what they did, Ali, and this is the truth, right? I was flying back once on a plane, and we landed. I forget where we landed. We were going somewhere. I think we were going to... Me and Leah on the plane going to Holland or the Netherlands or somewhere. Anyway, we landed and it was the week of building up to the World Cup. And the pilot, as we landed, said, and by the way, folks, it's coming home. That actually happened on an aeroplane. I thought, this is brilliant. This is one step away from saying, and welcome to the Martyn Lucas Show. It was one step away from that. I was so excited.
That's very funny.
Brilliant. So what do you reckon today about the markets then? Am I going to hit 45,000 or what?
Yes, I said yes as soon as that poll came out. I believe so. I mean,
yes.
I mean, we can't say it's back in bull market territory, but it's a great bounce, and we're all benefiting from it.
Yeah.
We'll see where we take profits, especially for the crypto challenge. But for now, we're riding this wave. I opened 125x long. I wouldn't recommend to do that, but
explain. Look, we've got 3 minutes. I'm not an options trader. Many people here aren't. They're just buying stocks with a couple of bucks. Explain exactly what you mean by a 125 leverage. What does that actually mean?
So it's not. I didn't actually do an options contract. It was more a derivatives contract. So when you can. You when you used to use margin on your stocks where you could get like 2 or 3x. Basically, what I did was 125x my money. So if I put in 10 pounds, I would have 125x that amount. So So if the market dropped, I don't know, 0.7%, then I would lose. Then I would get liquidated, but we didn't drop. We just went straight up, and I'm benefiting from that. I've 8x my money in about 30 minutes, which was nice. I took 75% profits, and I'll ride the rest. And
bloody hell! So you took a big gamble there. That's what have I? Now I know you're Ali. You're a lot younger than me, right? What have I been telling you from your old granddad? What have I been telling you? You gotta go careful. That's a big gamble, that, isn't it, mate? Did you not feel a bit like, ooh, what if it goes the wrong way? But you were confident, right?
Yeah, I mean, I was 60-70% confident. I mean, if I got liquidated, I would have missed the trade, and then I would have to make the money back. But if I won, then I win big, and I won't take profits until I make 7-8x, and that's what I did. So it worked out well. And sometimes you lose, and the winners you ride. So you can lose. What I like to do is I can lose 7 trades. But if I catch that one, then I've made my money back plus more. So we take risks, and sometimes they pay off, and sometimes they don't. And today it paid off.
Can you share with us? I mean, you don't have to, of course. How much you made?
I'd like to keep it in percentage.
That's
terms,
fine.
But
that's fine. What was your percentage? What was your percentage terms then?
So 800%. I took 75%.
800%. Bloody hell! So even if you only put $10 in, you've done all right, ain't you?
Yeah, exactly.
Right. Well, we know where all the beers are coming from this afternoon, folks. We're nipping round Ali's house. He's just made 800%. Flipping it. No. Hey, congratulations.
Yeah, I'll be honest. It wasn't a large amount of money. It was a small amount of money. So, but it's
hey, mate, I'd be happy.
A big amount of money for those leverage trades.
I'd be happy if I had $10 and it did 800% and I made $80 in 5 minutes. I'd be ecstatic. So congratulations to you. I've never had a win like that, so that must feel great, right? We've got hang on, stay right with us. We've got 20 seconds to go for the bell. Let's keep Ali with us for a second. Let's get a reaction. Let's see what happens. CPI. We got Moose and Ella in the chat as well. Moose, you can talk as well. Moose, come on in. This is live.
Great job, Ali.
Hello, mate. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. You guys can talk live as we go into the bell. Moose, it's great to have you back. How are you, mate?
Doing well. Just been going through a tough time with my dad.
Yeah, we know.
It's an up and down. Been in the hospital for over 4.5 months now, or longer, almost 6 months.
Yeah, we're sorry to hear that, mate.
Yeah, kidney failures, dialysis. They can't control his vitals.
Oh dear.
So I've been going through a tough time.
Yeah.
The whole family. In fact, I'll be going back to Toronto end of next month. Spend probably 3 weeks or so with him.
Right.
Last time I went, he was crying. He said he won't be able to see me again, you know.
Yeah. Oh,
No,
I'm
just
terribly sorry.
Yeah.
Ali.
And anyway, go ahead.
Sorry, Moose. As we start the show, stick with us, guys. We got Ali and Moose. Let's get some reaction from the markets, and everyone, please do send some love. There we go. We got some Alop X Lacopus has just said, "Bless you, man." Ali Moose is one of our dear friends of the channel. Please send some love for his dad. You can tell how hurt he is.
We are very sorry to hear this, and my prayers are with you. The whole family is with you.
Yeah.
And we wish the best for your father and for yourself. Yeah. We are very sorry to hear this news.
Nice. Thank you.
I greatly appreciate it. I appreciate you all, guys.
Oh, we're always here for each other, mate. We're here up to 10 hours a day, and we're here to help everybody. Just as we go into the morning, guys, we'll keep Ali and Moose on the line if they want to stick with us. I want some reaction to the markets now, because what we've got is, if you look at the main portfolio, I'm still up 1.24. My Roth IRA is up 0.5%. It's fallen back a bit. We've got some opportunities here, though, folks. The S&P is still going up. Virgin Galactic is going up. Virgin Orbit is up 1.8. Rivian is up 2%. Tesla is up 3%. But we've got some opportunities. I'm not buying anything that's going up, but what I am looking for is what is going down that makes money and holds cash on the books. That is quality stocks. And right now, Coca-Cola, with our dividend paying out on the 16th, is just going down a little bit. J&J also is going down. I see this as a buying opportunity right now. So there's J&J. Google is up 1.93. Microsoft 1.46. Walmart is up 0.1. Tesco is down 0.22. Next Era Energy 1.36. Enphase Energy 4.28. Bitcoin 6.38, going back up again. Tilray 1.84. We're down 10% on this one. This is also a buy if you still believe it's a $40 stock. Robinhood up 4.56. Robinhood will like this because interest rates are high. They'll make money on their margin, but also retail investors might sense a bull market. This is not a bull market. It's a bear market rally, but retail investors might jump all over this, and Robinhood will start making some money. Hence, they're up to date 4.12. SoFi up 3.73. IonQ is up 3%. And Canoe up 2.29. And just bring up the rear now, Ford is up 1.74 with Rio Tinto at 0.15. Guys, what do you see the projection is today? This is Ali. This is to Ali, Tizro, or Muzanella, whoever wants to answer. Do you think we are still in a bear market rally, or are we about to turn bullish? What do you guys think?
I think Moose just dropped out. So I think, I mean, it is still a bear. I believe it's still a bear market rally. I don't know how they're going to handle this situation with rising interest, keeping these interest rates going up while trying to. These interest rates are going up, and they can't raise rates. The banks will all go down. So I'm not sure how they're going to handle this. So I don't believe this is the end. This is the bull market. But this bear market rally can carry on, and we'll see what happens. Maybe next time they'll announce that there's no rate hike, which I believe they will, but I'm not sure how the market will react because the interest rates won't be coming down. So
no, it's a very hard. It's a difficult one to read. It's a difficult one to read, isn't it? Because for credibility, people want to see inflation come under control. They don't want to see the Fed just give up on it. They want to see the They want to see maybe even 0.5% to kill inflation, smash it, bring it down, rather than many 0.25. So if they pivot, on the shorthand, you go, great, interest rates are coming down, everybody gets excited. But really, if the markets aren't ready for it, and the economy isn't ready for it, and inflation isn't out of control, we can have what happened in the past, where we thought we were getting in control of inflation. We took our foot off the gas. We came back from it, and it went up again, and then we have to revisit this all over again. So it's hard to read, isn't it?
Yeah, it's hard to read. I still believe there will probably be another capitulation event, maybe in the next month, 2 months. So if we get a big bounce, if we hit 30K on Bitcoin, if the altcoins have a little rally, we might take some profits and wait for lower prices. It's not a great market situation.
I see we've got Muzanella back in the chat. He's just come back to us, and thanks for all the love, prayers, and all the lovely messages that have gone out to Muze's dad. We appreciate that. Just before I come back to Muse, Ali, I want to ask you about the crypto challenge. As I've got you on the phone, it makes absolute sense just to cover that quick. Muzanella, stick with us a minute. For those of you who don't know, every day I am involved in Ali's crypto challenge. Now, Ali came to me some months ago and said, do you believe in crypto? And I said, well, what can I say? You know, it's not really my thing. I like the idea. He said, well, do you think it has a place on your portfolio? And I said, you know what? It does. A lottery ticket has a place on my portfolio, but he says, well, I hope you see it as more than a lottery ticket. I said, yeah, between 1% and 5%, I think would be a nice, safe position on my portfolio. I think I can live with that. He said, that's good. I can work with you then. I said, all right, then, what are we going to do? So here is my Ali Tisro challenge. Now, he said to me, I'm going to challenge you, Martyn. I reckon you should put $1,000 in Coinbase, which is SEC regulated, so we like Coinbase. Even though yesterday I moved some of it away, I put it in my ledger just to protect myself. Always want to do that. Nothing wrong with doing that. I've put it all back, only my 4% interest. Thank you, Coinbase. And put $1,000 in, and I'm going to tell you what crypto to buy, when to buy it, when to sell it, and I'll do all the charts for you, and I will do all the heavy lifting. And I go, I like that. I like that because like any great show, anyone that's successful, it's not you, it's the people that you surround yourself with. I learned that many years ago. Surround yourself with the best people. I've got Muzanella, I've got Ed Nevius, I've got all of you, I've got Ali Tisro. Surround yourself with great people. You will succeed in everything you do. Mark Cuban said to me, Martyn, be the best you can be of yourself. No one else can be you, and you'll succeed. And that's what I aim to do. So Ali is my crypto guy, and Muzanella gives me all the options information and all the trading information. So Ali said to me, right, I'm going to tell you what crypto to buy. And what he does, he posts it on his Discord channel. It's a premium service that you can get access to. So I'm going to give you the link right now. Stick with us, Moose. I'll be right with you in a second. Here is the link to Ali Tisro's Discord server. And every day, or whenever he feels it's right, he will post what to buy, what to sell, do all the charts and everything for you. So if you're not an expert on crypto and you've got no idea what you're doing, you shouldn't be doing it anyway. This is only this is not financial advice. This is what we're doing with our real money. Okay, it's what we're doing with our real money. But if you want to be part of it and you don't understand it, but you'd like someone to help you and guide you and what they're doing with their money, and you want to follow it for fun, you can. And this is what I'm doing with my money. There is Ali's server. You can access it. It's a premium service. However, as you know, that my channel always aims to give the best service to all its members always. Here's the invitation to join. If you become a member of mine, you can access the premium service with a lifetime discount. There's the membership, and here's my Discord server where you get the link from. Here it is, and you get a lifetime discount. My members will always get the best service. Now, I'm going to show you quickly what you get if you go onto his service. This is what you get. If I go into my server first of all, you will see down the outside Ali Tisro's tips. You see it here? This is where you'll get the lifetime discount and some general chit chat. Okay? If you go directly to Ali's server or through my server, this is the sort of thing you'll see. These are the sort of charts. Now, do you know what? This means nothing to me. I'm not a chart reader. I do understand it, but I like to act like I don't, right? Because that way I'm safe, right? I don't know what I'm talking about. This is the charts. This is the sort of information that you will get from Ali. And you might go, bloody hell, what's all that about? Well, don't worry about that. Ali will explain it to you, and he'll tell you what he's buying, when he's buying it. Now, because I've started buying the assets, I can't share on the screen what I've got. If I scroll down here, I'm going to share with you what I've got, and I can't do that unless Ali says you can do it today for whatever reason. But if you want to be part of it, remember, this is not financial advice. This is just what we are doing with our money. But unlike another YouTuber who might be telling you whatever you want to hear just to get clickbait, I am telling you what I am doing with my real money. Ali is telling you what he's doing with his real money. So if that appeals to you and you fancy a bit of that, that's how you get involved. And the idea is I'm on the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. There is another one, if you are much richer than me, $7,000 to $100,000 challenge, and you can get involved. So just before I come to Muzanella, Ali, do you want to give us any updates on the crypto challenge, what you think's going on, and how we've done so far?
Yeah, well, we've deployed a fair amount of cash. Maybe 30% of the cash has been deployed. The reason we're not deploying everything is because we still do see a crash coming at one point, maybe in the next 2 to 6 months. And we always want to have cash on the side of crypto, because when it drops very big, and you can make a lot of money when you buy it at these low prices. So. But we also are exposed a fair amount as well. We've got 30-35% deployed, so we are making money as this pump is going up, and we might take some profits in the future and buy back lower. So with this challenge, it's not financial advice. It's what I'm doing. I've done this before. I want people to have crypto as part of their portfolio. It would be silly not to have 1 to 5%, as you said, in crypto. Obviously, I believe in it much more, so most of my portfolio, 60, 70, 80% of my portfolio is in crypto. But yeah, what we'll do is we'll take it day by day. I'll post on the Discord what we're buying, exactly where we're buying, as simple as I can. People can message me directly. They message me on all the various channels on the Discord, and I give one-to-one advice. Well, it's not really advice; it's what I'm doing, and if they have questions, I can answer that for them. So we'll take it day by day, and I look forward to seeing where this crypto portfolio goes, and I love that it's part of the channel, and how the fact that we can all see exactly what's going on. There's nothing to hide. I mean, we're not showing you all the assets because it will take away my USB, but if
there'd be no point, would there?
Exactly.
There'd be no point. Hang on a minute. I don't need to subscribe to. I just watch it for free. What's going on here?
Yeah, exactly. But you can see where the portfolio is as a whole, and that's more transparent than 95% of the channels out there. So I'm very excited to be part of this channel, and I look forward to seeing how this grows in the next 1 to 2 years.
Ali, thank you very much. Oh, I think did Moose want to contribute to that?
Yes, I just have a question for Ali, if you don't mind.
Please do.
I do have my own thoughts about XRP. What I would like to know what Ali think of it.
XRP as a whole, so there's two dimensions to it. There's one in just believing in the technology and how it's a bit superior to Bitcoin, and how quick the transactions are. And then there's the other side to it, where it's just more of a short-term play of the law case in general. So what I'm doing is I'm stocking up on XRP every dip we have, because I'm convinced that we probably won't see a direct win, but I think that XRP will come out on top and become a fully regulated coin and be deemed not a security. So we're playing that trade, and once XRP does become deemed not a security, it will be second to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the only other crypto asset which has been deemed not a security. So that will have a great effect on the price. We might see a 5 to 10x on the day of the week, or the week of the ruling. So it's a short-term play, and also I do believe XRP and the company behind it, Ripple, it has a great place in this market. Ripple, the company, is working with all these different countries on CBDCs. It's got a great balance sheet. It's got a lot of cash on hand, and I think they'll want to see XRP succeed.
Moose?
These are my thoughts exactly about it. I will be making a video about what's going on with it. That will be coming out soon. The ins and outs, and the court. They've been in court now for almost 4 years or so. And that could be, well, that's my personal opinion, that could be a great thing, that they just checking the ins and outs of XRP before XRP let go, and then hopefully from there we'll start everybody can trade
exactly,
in the States.
Yeah, there's two sides to it. There's the short-term trade and also just the technology as a whole. If you're interested in that, so yeah, I agree with you as well.
I've just posted in the chat for everybody Musanella's YouTube channel. So if you want to subscribe to that, and then when that video comes out, ring the bell and you'll be notified of it. Moose, back to you.
You're breaking now.
Oh, sorry. I just said I just posted the link to your YouTube channel in the chat. So if anybody wants to check it out, they can. And when you bring that video out, ring the bell and subscribe to that. You'll be notified when it comes out. Moose?
Oh, thank you. And there's another one I will be posting about Mullen. I know not so many people believe in the company, but there's a lot of cash. I mean, it's all based on research, not based on opinion.
Are you talking about Mullen? Mullen?
Yes.
Right.
Could
you answer me as I've got you on the show? Yes. Could you answer me then? Because we get this a lot. We've made some money on Mullen. It's been successful initially and originally it was successful. However, I want you to answer, if you can, able to answer me. What we did see with Mullen was they would make an announcement on a YouTube channel, like a news like a news channel, whatever, about something going to happen, and it was very dramatic. I'm just making up an example, like today we're going to do a deal with Ferrari or whatever, and the stock pops up, and then hours later you don't hear anything about the story, and it goes right back down again. It's as if they make up stories to promote a stock for it to go up, for it to go back down again. They've done that several times. I mean, that's been my experience of it. Is there any validity to that, evidence of that, or is that just coincidence? Or what's your thoughts on that?
I mean, with the market and the manipulation and YouTubers, some YouTubers are like paid to promote or short the stock or so on. So that does not bother me. I don't look at Mullen that way. I'm looking at Mullen from three things that happened recently. One, that the government had asked Mullen they might sign a contract, or they might sign a contract with them for their van. The second one, a big dealership in North Carolina had asked Mullen to produce for them 600 vans. And the third one is Mullen. Mullen right now is just asked the sector to give them an additional 90 days to bring their stock price to over $1. With that being said, it's hard to bring it to $1 just like that without any production and without deliveries. With that being said, the reverse split is what's on the table right now, most likely, and this is my opinion. That's what keeping a lot of investors away from it right now. That if the reverse split will happen and they bring it to over $1 and we still don't have any deliveries, the odds the stock might go down, and they don't want to risk their life saving or their investment.
I mean, we're looking at Mullen on the screen now. A lot of people ask me about it. It was at 16 cents a share right now. I mean, what point are they going to be delisted? How long could they go on like this?
I mean, they just asked for the extension yesterday or day before for the 90 days to bring it up to $1.
Wow.
Only way to do it is to do a reverse split.
I'm going to say, because they're not going to get a pump, are they, from 16 to $1?
Unless they surprise us all and say we have deliveries happening right now, stupid deliveries, but they keep buying other companies, and they also get an advance in the battery, in the EV battery, and so on. So they're not sleeping. They are working hard. It looks like they do have the cash flow. And I like the company myself. I do invest. I planning to buy more. I don't have much of it, but I would like to put a little bit of money and just let it sit aside for next year, 2, 3. That's fine. As I mentioned earlier, or mentioned before on the show, I still have 6, 7 years for retirement. So if I put money in it, I have 7 years to go. And if I put, let's say, for example, $3,000, $4,000, if I lose that money, I'm not gonna go hungry.
Right.
You never invest more than what you can lose.
I tell you what we're going to do. I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to wrap up our chat in a couple of moments, but I'm just going to ask a quick poll. Should we buy Mullen? I'm doing a poll in the chat. I want Ed Nevius's thoughts, because Ed Nevius does our Ed Nevius tips every morning. We've got our 3 tipsters here today. This is really great. We've got Muzanella, Ali Tizro, and just Ed Nevius. If we can get Ed Nevius into the chat, or Ed can share his thoughts. Ali, what do you think about it? Are you looking at a chart of Mullen right now? What do you think? Is Mullen, from your perspective, worth looking at? It's 16 cents with a potential reverse split to keep it in the market. Or what do you think? It's got an extension. It can be delisted within a few months' time if it doesn't reach that $1. What do you think? So I want to hear from Ed and Ali. What do you think of Mullen right now?
Yeah, so just on a chart basis, obviously it's not looking great in terms of just new lows and lower highs, etc. But with stocks like this, you shouldn't allocate a large amount of your portfolio to it. I mean, I'm looking at it in a way that it's like my trade I did this morning. It's a high risk play, but it can work out well if they manage to do their deliveries, if they manage to come out with some good news, and if they manage to stay listed. So it's a high risk play, but it can work out well. So if you do want to play it, you put a small amount of money in it, and if it does reward you, it will go up a lot. So so looking at it now, it's hard to sort of analyze it, but I mean, I'm looking to buy some, to be honest. It looks like I love high risk plays, and this looks like one that can play out well, or it can go to zero. So it's one of those trades, and I think I'm looking to buy some.
Project Freedom just said I have 10,000 shares of Mullen, 20 cents a share, and I'm going to buy more. There you go. That's what Project Freedom says. Moro Perotoro says Mullen is a 10-year downtrend. Oh my God, and down 99% from 2 years ago. That's your thoughts. So far now, it's 55% say no, they wouldn't buy it. We've got Ed Nevius. We've got all 3. This has never happened before. This is a very special morning. We've got all 3 of our tipsters in the chat right now, and Ed Nevius does great charts. Ed, tell me, what do you think of Mullen from your perspective? You're muted at the moment. Just come in with Ali Tizro and Muzanella. What is your thoughts on Mullen? You are still muted at the moment. I'm just talking to you. If you can unmute yourself. There he is. Ed, what do you think of Mullen?
Hey, what's going on, guys? On a fundamental standpoint, I'm a little bit nervous. You know, the reverse splits evidently aren't a good thing. I know they're trying to maintain being on the market, so it's one to be concerned about. I would say, you know, again, yeah, the chart don't look good. Fundamental-wise, really doesn't look good. The reverse split may be good, but I'd wait until see what happens. What kind of split's it going to be? You know, I would probably wait until after the split, me personally, but that's just, you know.
So there we go. If you're, let me just make an intro and outro for this, because I'm going to put this out as a video later about Mullen, and we'll put it out and we'll get all perspectives here. So let me just go over to this screen. Stick with me, guys. I'm going to ask you all, it's a buy or a sell and your price prediction. Okay. So here we go. Let's have a look at it now. Okay. Let me just bring that up to there a minute. Okay. That'll do about there. Okay, breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. I've got 3 of my tipsters from my Discord channel in today. Muzanella, Ali Tisro, and Ed Nevius, all at the same time in Discord. And we're discussing Mullen, whether you should buy Mullen or not. So now we're going to go over to the main video and hear from them. Here we go. Okay, then it will cut to you. At the end, it will come back. So there you go. There is Mullen. Are you in? Are you buying? Are you holding? Are you selling? Are you concerned that it's going to be delisted? Or do you think that the reverse split will save it and it will make you a buck or two? What do you think? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, now we're going to go back to you guys a minute. Let me bring you back on the screen. So let me bring that up there. And I'm going to ask you now. I'm going to go to each of you and ask you for a buy, a hold, or a sell. And I'm going to ask you for a price prediction, short term and long term. So, Ali Tisro, is it a buy, a hold, or a sell for you?
It would, for now, it'd probably a sell. If we see at 10 cents, I'll probably buy for a risky play, but it shouldn't be a large part of your portfolio. At 10 cents, I'll buy and hoping to take profits at $1.
Okay, and let's go to Ed Nevius now. Are you a buy, hold, or sell? Where do you see it short term, and where do you see it long term?
Currently now, well, I do want to point out one thing that Musinelli said that I did like is the cash flow. So that's something to be, for me, it's a hold right now. Again, there could be better opportunity to come, but I wouldn't touch it yet, and I'd wait to see how it plays out.
And where do you see it going a year from now?
Well, it depends on the split. If they get trying to push this thing to $5 on a split, well, that's a lot of shares. They're going to dilute, and so for me, I wouldn't touch it until after the split. See what they're thinking.
Okay, Ed, thank you. And Moose, now finally to wrap up this video, Moose, are you a buy, hold? Oh, Ed, can you just? Oh, thank you. Just muted himself. Brilliant. Moose, buy, hold, sell, short term, and where you see it in a year from now. Moose?
I'm with you. I'm just trying to put the words together. It's better off if you wait until the reverse split happens. But at the same token, I could see myself as Ali Tizro. I won't mind buying it between 10 and 12 cents, since it won't be for day trading or swing trading. It will be for the long term. I could see the price go over $5 to $10 in the next 5 to 7 years from now.
Wow. So there you go. You've just heard from Ali Tisro, Ed Nevius, and Musinella. These are the guys I trust, who I go to every day for my information. Remember, this is not financial advice. We're sharing with you our real experiences, our real money. This is what we're doing with our real cash. These guys are investing their real money. We're not selling anything, promoting anything. I'm certainly not doing clickbait videos. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing with my real money, and listening to the people that I can trust, who equally share their real trades with you. So there you go. Are you going to buy Mullen? And what do you think about that? Okay, that will then go back to the main video, and I'll cut that in. Guys, I just want to come back and thank all three of you for tuning in today. That's the very first time that we've had more than one person on the show, let alone three, let alone all our tipsters. So thank you, Ali. Thank you, Ed and Musinella.
Thank you for having us on. I look forward to doing it again.
Yeah, it was fun. That was fun. We can learn a lot from each other. Ed, final word?
I appreciate all you guys, and I love the family, and yeah, thanks for the opportunity.
Moose, final word?
It's the same thing. I want to thank you for having us on the show. And second, I would like to mention a stock I'm not in right now. For day trading, I've been making money on it. SOXL. It's a Soxel.
Okay.
It's the Drixon Daily Semiconductor for NVIDIA, Texas Instrument, INTC, and AMD. And it's been fluctuating enough where you could make money for day trading.
Thank you. Do you want to put that in the Discord as well, so people can check out the information?
Absolutely.
Brilliant. Thank you ever so much. Thank you to all the guys. What a great honor that was to have all the team today join us. Hopefully we can do more of that in the future. What was your thoughts on that? I'd like your... I'm going to end the poll right now, and let's have a look. I'm actually going to share that poll on the screen. This will be part of the video as well. So if I bring the poll into the screen as well, let's have a look. I'm going to bring that on the screen and record this as well. So here we go. Right. Let me just zoom into there. Okay. So we're running a poll here on the show today. Should we buy Mullen? As you can see, this is a live poll made during a live show, and it is, should we buy Mullen? Yes, 47%. No, 53%. What do you think? Okay, we'll cut that in as well. Now, I'm going to ask you a poll now. I want you to flood the chat with comments, please, but also do a poll. That's the first time that we've had experts, if you like, call into the show like that and have a conversation. We've had one person call in before, but we've never had a three-way conversation of people calling in. So do you like this? Was that good content for you? Do you like the, I call it expert phone-ins? Expert phone-ins. Okay, so what do you think about that? Do you like that? Is that a good part of the show? I'd like your comments and your vote, please. There you go. Do you like the expert phone-ins? We might do it again and get more people on and do more, prepare more slides and stuff like that. So let me know. Do you like the phone-ins? Give me your thoughts and also your comments, please. Just got an idea for your YouTube channel. Yeah, don't tell me it's drinking green beer on a Friday on St. Patrick's Day. We know all about that. Don't even bother with that one. Brilliant. Enjoyed the sofa talk. Thank you, guys. George liked it. There is a 1.95 billion in float-free Flutter edits. Buying, I'm happy to add a little risk in my portfolio. I've been reading that it is going to be 12 to 35 reverse split. Okay, shall I go to Mullen and shall I buy one? I've been reading. It's worth buying one, isn't it? It's worth buying one. I mean, in fact, there's no point buying one, is there? Just buy 10. I'll buy 10 shares. How much have I got? I've got $16. There you go. Review order. I need to put it on my account. There you go. I've got to show willing. Look, I've got to show willing. Let me buy 10 shares of Mullen. What the hell? There we go. If everybody else is joining in, I'm going to join in. We're all going to join in. There we go. If we all buy 1 million shares, it'd go to $1 million, right? There you go. Because we're such a big YouTube channel, we can influence everything. There you go, 16 cents. All right. Okay, George Semaine, brilliant. Enjoyed the sofa talk. Let's have a look. We've got now 7 votes, 100% enjoyed that input there. Absolutely fantastic. So hopefully we'll put that out later. I've had a cup of coffee arrive from the lovely Leah Mike. Just got an idea for your YouTube channel. Okay, fire away. What was it? One me, Martin, buy Mullen. Buy Mullen. Okay. On me, Martin, buy Mullen. Okay. I'll do it. Let me bring some money into my... Shall I do it as a long-term play? Okay, I'll do it. I'll buy it as a long-term position. $20. Go to my brokerage account, go to my Roth IRA. Apparently, it's a long-term investment. Here we go. So I'm now going into my Roth IRA, and Jason Fallon has said buy $20. So here we go. Buy Mullen, 10, 100, 120. There you go, 120 shares. Review the order. Buy Mullen in my Roth IRA. Review the order. There we go. Buy Mullen. Mullen is now officially in my Roth IRA. That's sensible. Okay, I'm all about buying the S&P 500. There we go. So I've just put it into my Roth IRA as a long-term position. I just got 2,800 shares for a play. I'm with you. We're all doing it. Oh wow, nice. Thank you. So we need to also celebrate. Oh yes, we need to celebrate Jason Fallon. I've just bought $20 of Mullen into my Roth IRA. Let's celebrate. If anybody else wants to do that, feel free. Don't mind me. I'll buy it. If anyone gives me $100 super chat, I will make a video on it and I will buy it. How about that? Anybody want to do that? Moose, you got loads of money. Give me $100 super chat and I'll buy $100 worth of Mullen. How about that? I love this channel. It's the best channel in the world. Right, okay, here we go. Celebrate. So we're going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. That was a bit slow. That's a bit slow. Come on. We're waiting. It's a big build-up. You ready? Here it comes. Any second now. Here comes the music. You're waiting for it. There it is. It's a super chat. Thank you very much indeed. I love it. Brilliant. There we go. Thank you very much. So there you go. I tell you what I'm going to do. Up to $1 million, I will buy of Mullen with any super chat I get in the next minute. Okay, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a minute on the clock. And any super chat I get now, I will buy Mullen in the next minute. In fact, I'm going to make a video on it. Okay, so we'll make a video on it. This is going to be added. So to continue on with our Mullen video, what we're doing, we just got a $20 super chat from Jason Fallon, who said, buy some Mullen. So I just did. I just bought some Mullen in my Roth IRA. And what we're going to do, we're going to put a minute on the clock now. And any super chat I get up to $1 million in the next minute, I'm going to spend all of it on Mullen. Are you ready? See what happens. Nothing might happen, and this may never reach the video. It'll just be edited out. But anyway, we're going to put a minute on the clock. There's the minute up there, and here comes the music. And if we get a super chat in the next 1 minute, I am going to spend that up to $1 million live on the show. I am going to buy Mullen, and I'm going to put it in my Roth IRA. So are you ready? Let's see what happens. And while I'm doing it, I'll sip my coffee. This might not even make the video later. It'll be edited out. Okay, here we go. We've got 30 seconds left. Not financial advice. Yeah, we're making that absolutely clear. This isn't the way to make money, folks. This is just good fun. But sometimes it pays off. You never know. Anyway, we've got 16 seconds to go. Let's see what happens. We're going to count down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ring the bell. There we go. It doesn't look like it. You only got $16. Oh, hang on a minute. $16. Let me scroll down. You only got 16 bucks. Was it 16 bucks? It was 20, I thought. Scroll up. I can't even bloody see it now. It wasn't. It was $20. Admittedly, after the tax and blah, 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 yes, I will get a bit less than 20 bucks, but that doesn't matter. I spent it all. It's only right. Anyway, let's have a little look. Let's go back to my main portfolio a minute. Okay. Now then, where are we? Mullen. Am I making any money on my Roth IRA? Yes. It's a green day. Jumper Alpina. How are you? How are you this morning? We're having a good day. We've just been buying Mullen. And I need to mark this video right now. Where did all this happen so we can edit later on? It all happened around 1 hour 30. Mullen. Here we go. Mullen, 1 hour 30. Okay. Open an account through my link to buy XRP. I'll send you a nice super chat. Open an account through my link. What link is that? Is that in open an account through my link to buy XRP, and I'll send you a nice super chat. That sounds good. What's that then? Is that's in your link? Is it? Moosenella's tips. Let me go to Moose's tips. Let's have a little look. You need to put that link, open an account through my link. So you can't share links on the screen, Moose. You can't share links on the screen. Send it on Discord and I will take a look. Because there's no link here on the screen. Your link doesn't come. About to post the link. Okay. All right. Okay. Just bought some Mullen. We're all buying Mullen this morning. And there you go. We're having some fun with it. About to post the link. Thank you very much indeed. I'll look out for it. Let's go through all our positions and update ourselves. Here we go. If you see a commercial break come up now, here it is. You can skip that. Let's see how many people are actually in the show right now. We've got, let's have a quick look. We've had 480. Blimey. Every day gets more. 473 people have come through the show this morning. 6,769 subscribers. Lovely stuff. And right now there's 33 that have liked the video. If you smash the like button and we get 100 likes, we will give away a cash prize in the show. Let's put a 1 minute on the clock. Are you ready? Here we go. Smash the like button. Let's see if we can get up to 100 likes during the video. You ready? Here we go. Let's zoom on in. There are 31 watching. We should be at 30 likes. There you go. See, look, 31 watching. So if we get to 30 likes, we've got, there we go, 29, 30. Excellent. If we get 100 by the end of the show, we'll give away a cash prize to one of you lucky people live on the show. 50,000 shares. Average. Oh, hello. DJ Speed has got 50,000 shares of Mullen. Come and join us here on YouTube. And you can see what we're doing. That'll be awesome. Trying to get the timer up. Okay, we're back again now. We've still got some technical glitches. I was on the phone last night to Apple about it, and we don't quite know what the situation is with my computer. Everything's been checked out perfectly. There are no issues with my computer at all, so we don't know what it is. Have some more fun. Have some. No, what's going on here? We got to make a video. Hang on a minute. We just got a donation here to buy some fun. PHUN. So here we go. I've just been given a super chat to buy some fun. So let's do that right now. We've got to do it. When someone gives me a super chat to buy something specifically like this, we have to do it. So are you ready? Let's go into fun. It's PHUN. So let me bring it up on the screen right now. I will edit that. Duplicate this. Fun. And we'll make a video on it. Let's discuss what fun is. I do actually have a position in this. Funware. Let's have a little look. Right then, Funware. Okay, it's down 26%, so this would be a good time to do it. Let's have a look now then. I need to just check something. Let me go over to my phone a minute. Okay, need to check something because I had Apple on the phone last night with me for several hours. I've reinstalled my system. I've had everything checked out and everything checks out fine, but now it's going slow again. So I'm going to just measure. So bear with me a second, guys. I'm just going to go measure my computer performance a second. The only time I can do it is during a live show. Okay. So now it's going slow. Let me check. So my energy is looking good. Just bear with me a second, guys. Memory and CPU. So everything's fine. It must be software related because my CPU load is fine. 39% is idle. My memory's fine. Yeah. So technically there's nothing wrong. resource-wise. Okay. So come back to Funware a second, and let's mark the video here, and we'll make a video on this. This is Funware. So we are now at 1 hour 43. PHUN 1 hour 43. Bought some gold and silver in Switzerland. I'm a fan of crypto and metals. Not often people like both, Ali Tizro. Have a look into campaign nucleus is what is what can send it up. Jason Fallon, Robert predicts Credit Suisse could be next investment bank to collapse. I've read that. That's scary, isn't it? So here we go. Funware. Let's do a review on Funware. If a member gives me it's only members only, but if someone gives me a super chat to buy a stock, I not only buy the stock with the money, but I also make a video on it as well. So let's look at Funware. So here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. I just received a super chat to buy some more Funware. What is Funware? Well, here it is. It's going down right now. It's a penny stock if there ever was one. I've got a very small position, but I've just been asked to buy some more. So let's have a little look at it. What is it? Funware engages in the development of a multi-screen as a service platform, an enterprise cloud platform for mobile devices. Okay, now as you can see, it's starting to go down. So what we're going to do now is we're going to buy some more, because if one of my members gives me a super chat live on the show, I'll actually go make a video, post it later and promote the stock and actually buy some. So I got a $5 super chat. So let's do that right now. Buy $5. Here we go. So I'm going to drop into here. There we go. 10, 100. No, let's do 10. Let's do 8, 6. There we go. There we go. 6 shares to add to our position. We are 27% down at the moment. Let's review the order. We're not going to set a limit. In fact, I will actually do that. A limit order. And we'll do that at 80 cents to make sure it doesn't pop up. Review the order, $4.80. Review the order. Here we go. And we're buy. Add to our position. There we go. 27% down. It's down to 14% down. There we go. And so what is fun? Let's go more into it and have a little look at it. Here we go. This is Funware. So we talked about it briefly. Mobile devices. Let's zoom in so you can see it. It provides companies the product, solution, data, and energy and services necessary to engage, manage, and monetize mobile application portfolios and audiences at scale. Its platform also allows for the licensing and creation of category-defining mobile experiences for brands and their application users worldwide. The company was founded by Alan S. I can't quite pronounce that, and Lung Dang in February. It's one of our Chinese stocks. However, I beg your pardon. It's headquartered in Austin, Texas. Is it a Chinese company? I don't know. I'm going to edit that bit out because it's clearly not. I'll take that bit out. Let's have a look. Let's scroll down. It's founded in 2009, 120 employees. No dividend yield, of course. It's purely a growth stock. Very, very speculative at this point. We do have some news, so I will open this up. And I will make this another video. I will cut to this section here. Let's copy that. Copy that. Put it over here. And this will go out later as a video for Funware. You never know, such a small cap company like this, I can rank very, very easy for it. Top tip there for if you're a YouTuber, strongly recommend making videos on stocks that have very little coverage. You're more likely to rank for it and then be able to benefit from that in the future. Anyway, let's go over to it right now. Okay. So let's zoom in so you can see it a bit clearer. Okay. Funware sets fourth quarter and full year 2022 earnings call for Thursday, March 23rd. So we've got a week or so away from the earnings at the time of making this video. Austin, Texas, March the 13th. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see it a bit clearer. Okay, this is Funware. A fully integrated enterprise cloud platform for mobile and product and provides product solutions, data and services for brands worldwide. So the earnings will be on Thursday, March the 23rd at 4:30 Eastern time. So we might even cover that now if we're going to be involved in this stock. Let me see if we've got any more information. Everything you need to succeed on mobile, transforming digital human experience. Funware. Let's just read this information here. Funware is the pioneer of a multi-screen as a service, MaaS, an award-winning, fully integrated enterprise cloud platform for mobile that provides companies the product solutions, data and services necessary to engage, manage and monetize their mobile application portfolios and audiences globally at scale. Funware's software development kits, SDKs, include location-based services, mobile engagement, content management, messaging, advertising, loyalty, Funcoin, and Fun Token. Oh, they've got a bit of crypto as well, have they? All interesting. So there you go. We've just taken a lucky punt on some Funware. So there you go. Let's check it out and let's see what happens on the earnings next week. Hopefully we can cover that. There you go. Funware, are you in? Are you out? Leave your thoughts below. As always, click subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on Funware. If you're a member and you want me to make a video for you, I will, and we'll come back to the stock and have a lot of fun. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there's Funware. Let me just do a quick thumbnail on that one. Let me clear the screen a minute. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's should we do a surprise look on this one? Let me change the background. There we go. We'll do a surprised look on this one. There you go. A surprise look. Bring on the screen. Let's see what happens to that. Okay. Let's read your comments. I like both Ali. I have a double Fafnir on eBay right now. What's that? The link is under my tips on the Discord. Okay. What is it? It's a sign up for a, what is it? The easiest way to invest. You've been invited to try Uphold. Create your account and try out one of the easiest, most cost-effective trading experiences. Create an Uphold account. Okay, Moose, I will do that for you. I will create an account for you. You can bank on it. For you, no problem, mate. I've got it on the screen here. There it is. I will create an account just for you, my friend. Absolutely. There it is. All right. So I will more than happy do that for you at the end of the show. A bit difficult for me to do it during the show. So I will do that at the end of the show. All right. So you can bank on it, mate. So you said you send me a super chat if I set up an account. Trust me, I'll do it. Right, where are we? Right. We are... Hang on a minute, that's a bit weird. What's happened there? We've got... it's gone very, very quiet on the channel all of a sudden. Let's have a look. Where are we? We got... I cannot believe I had 659 people through the show. Incredible today. I don't understand how it's... so many people. Incredible. I think I get a lot of bots now. Super chat. Yes. Yes, I will set the account up. I promise. Right. Let me focus on a minute what we're doing. Thank you ever so much, everybody over there on TikTok. The main portfolio. So I said to you today, would I reach 45,000 today overall? Remember, I said that? Let's have a quick look. Let's see if I have. Let's go over to it now. I haven't looked yet. I don't know. I don't know yet until I look. Same time as you. I'm a bot. Yeah, we're all bots. I'm a bot. Look at me. I do a great robot, by the way. You've never seen anything like it. So 35, we're up 1.55. There's my Roth IRA. We're up 44,913. Oh my gosh, just under $100 to go. Let's have a look. Do you like expert phone-ins? 89%. There we go. Brilliant. Just a couple of people know. Are you water dancing today? I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming. No, I am not water dancing today. I do it Monday, Wednesday and Friday. You know the answer to that. So why even ask? And why even call it water dancing when you know full well it is water aerobics? It is exercise. It is strenuous. It is exercise. It is me and a load of 80-year-olds like me. Yes, it is. It is. I love it. It's a good way to move when you've got a bad back. So shut your face. I like doing it. All right. Tesla rising. Indeed, Tesla is rising. So there we go. We're not quite at 45,000 yet, but we're very, very close. Very, very close. 44, just about 900. And on the Roth IRA, you can see it's my J&J that is still bringing me down. So Coca-Cola is on the rise. I'm just looking to see what I want to buy today. I've got $682 in my buying power. I'm just looking at it and thinking to myself, the J&J is still a good buy for me. Take your swimming hat off then. Yes, that was good. I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one, George. So I'm going to end the poll now. So everyone loved the expert phone-in. So there you go. Ali Tisro and Muzanella, everyone loved you. They loved you. They want more of you. Is it synchronized water? No, it's not synchronized. It's not synchronized. We just go in the water and we move. We swim sideways. We swim this way. We swim that way. We do weights. We lift weights up in the water. We do all sorts. It's got nothing to do with dancing or anything like that. Nothing like that at all. I don't need smart Alex coming on here. Being smart Alex. All right. Let me just put you straight. Mullen is going up. I'm up. There you go. Should have bought more, right? Okay. Should have bought more. Classic that, isn't it? The S&P is still going up. So I'm looking today at buying. In fact, have we got Ali Tisro in the chat? Ed Nevius in the chat. Have we got them in the chat right now? I want your thoughts. I want your thoughts on Fusion 301, what a mess that is. Mullen, 0.16. Yeah, we're having some fun about Mullen this morning. Amazon doing well. I've got a big enough position. Oh my gosh, look at that for a flipping. Look at that for a super chat. Oh my gosh, look at that. One of my top super chatters. Let me go, Moose. You can have a song later on. On Friday, we're having, Moose, on Friday, we are doing a special St. Patrick's Day. In fact, I'll do a poll. Mozart, you can have When Irish Eyes Are Smiling or Danny Boy on Friday. Start a poll for that chat. Here we go. Are you, hang on, what's this? Just had a button fall off my jacket. You're going to get fireworks, don't you worry. Are you joining Are you joining? Flipping heck, Martin. Joining us for green beer drinking and St. Patrick's sing along. There you go. On Friday. So the closing bell, we're drinking green beer for shots, and we're doing everything in green in the studio. It's all going to be green, okay? And then we're going to have a St. Patrick's sing-along. Are you joining us for green beer drinking and St. Patrick's sing-along? Yes or no? Friday, closing bell. Everything will be green, and then we're going to do a sing-along on the music channel afterwards, all right? There you go. Are you going to join me for that? So here we go. We've got to celebrate in 5, 4. And this is going to get you from Irish Eyes Are Smiling or Danny Boy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Yes! Thank you very much indeed. There's your fireworks. Appreciate it a lot. Brilliant stuff. Thank you very much. Oh my God. Love it. There you go. Join us on Friday. Let's see who's joining us for that. All right. Subpar fireworks display in 3, 2, 1. What's wrong with it? Fusion 301. What's wrong? The fireworks are better than they've ever been. They're better than they've ever been. I've got music now and we got sound effects. We got the fireworks are better than ever. Ain't nothing wrong with the fire. There ain't nothing wrong with my fireworks. Nothing wrong with my fireworks. Don't poo-poo my fireworks. Right. We are nearly 44,957. You all said you got no chance. You won't get there. You all said no chance. $48 to go. Telling you. Crystal ball. Okay. Here it is. Here it is. I told you. You don't listen to me. I keep trying to tell you. Here it is. Will I be at $45,000 today? Yes, you will. Are we going to be drinking like crazy lunatics on Friday? Yes. Is everyone going to come to St. Patrick's Green Day? Everything's going to be green in the studio. Yes. There we go. It's basically yes for everything. All right. So none of you put in no's. You're all coming. So stop messing around. Stop messing around with your no-ness. All right. You know you're coming. Okay. Here we go. Cheap Amazon rubbish. Fireworks. There's nothing. You got fireworks. You're all behind the stream. There you go. I've now got to sign up now for that flipping thing. I ain't got no choice. So what I'm going to do, once I've signed up for it, it's in Musanella's tips. You can go and check it out. I will share it with everybody. All right. Once I've done it, once I know what it is, because now at the moment I'm agreeing to sign up for something I don't know what it is. Right, we've got just a few bucks to go now. Oh, what a day. There's Mullen. Funware, down 13% now. The S&P. I can't calm, I'm on nights. Can you be an alcoholic on a Monday or Tuesday like me? No, alcoholic parties are supposed to be once a year. It was supposed to be once a year, but we did a poll the other day, and people said, "Can you do it again?" Hang on a minute. How many are going no? How many? We got 5 votes. Are you joining for green beer drinking on St. Patrick's Day? And we've got 5 saying yes and 5 saying no. You know you're coming. You all voted like 80% to do it. So why are you saying no? Don't make any sense. You see, I caught you out. Right, let's check the positions right now. Funware is going down. Virgin, the S&P is going up. I'm looking for some serious investing now. Mr. Lucas, if you believe it or not, I just bought 300,000 shares of Mullen, hoping for a squeeze. Oh my gosh, I do believe it. I do believe it. I do believe you. Mohammed Kahain, folks, look at this. So, Mohammed Kahain has just bought, in fact, I'm going to add this to the Mullen video. 2 hours and 3. I'm going to add this to the Mullen video. Mullen, 2 hours 3. Okay, I'm going to add this to the video, okay? So we're going to go back over to Mullen, and here we go. Now then, to add to the excitement of our Mullen, one of our gold members, Mohammed Kahain, has just posted this. Mr. Lucas, believe it or not, I just bought 300,000 shares of Mullen, hoping for a squeeze. What do you think? Is Mullen about to get a short squeeze? There you go. I will add that to the video later. Thank you very much indeed, Mohammed, for doing that. Wow. So we're certainly getting some stocks now. Let's have a look at today's volume. 34,388,252 today's volume. Let's have a look. The average volume is 216 million. We're at 34 million at the moment. My average cost was 1688. Bloody hell. I sold 300 shares. I just sold 300,000 shares. Andrew, I like that. I like that. Brilliant. Just to balance it out. So it's back where you started from. So there you go. Anyway, should we buy some more? I'm thinking I might buy some more. You stole his shares. I'm thinking of doing it. Average 1686. I'm going to buy some more. I am. I'm going to buy some more. I'm going to buy some more. 10, 100. 1,000. 500. Amazing. I guess it could short squeeze, 10% short interest, but how greedy could you be if you're short in this? Mr. Lucas, do it and join the ride. Here we go. This is crazy. This is silly. There you go. There you go. I got 620 shares now. Never thought I'd see Martyn buy Mullen again. No, I didn't think I'd be buying Mullen again. It's Moose's fault. Moose's fault. Moose came on the show and he's got me crazy. I've got to be careful because I get crazy around Moose. Moose makes me go crazy. It makes me do crazy things. There you go. See what happens now. My dog just, hello. It's going cheap if you want to buy. Yeah, hang on a minute. This is the guy. This is the person who buys at the S&P 500 and Johnson & Johnson, sensible stuff. We're having some fun though, right? We're having some fun. You got a bit of fun along the journey. Buy Tesla. It's overpriced at the moment, I'm afraid. Whereas Mullen certainly isn't overpriced. There's no question about that. It's basically free. Anyway, we shall see. I have 620. Let's just step back a little bit and get some context. Look, it went to $3.31. Imagine. Oh, man. Never thought I'd see Martyn buy Mullen again. Yeah, I didn't think I'd see it again either. Are you joining me for green drinking and St. Patrick's Day sing-along? 62% of you. Brilliant. That'll do. Right. I need to be sensible now, folks, because we're all getting a bit out of control here. The show's become the gambling show, and it's not. You may notice the show is called Martyn Lucas Investor. All right. Let's go back to my Roth IRA at the moment. 5.51. I wonder if we've got to the bottom now of J&J. It keeps bouncing off this. 151. So maybe it does go a bit lower, but I'm still 5% down. I could lower my average by buying some more. Look, it's starting to tail off. They most benefit from interest from inflation coming down, and it certainly is coming down, even though it's still high. The rate of it going up is slowed down. That'll benefit J&J. I still believe it's a good investment. I just don't like being extremely overweighted in one stock, but it doesn't matter. It's not really a risk. It's my concern is we could get a shock to the system on the 22nd. Let's all buy Bed Bath & Beyond. No, we're not buying that. That's going to one step too far. Hi, what software are you using to buy your stocks? Dick Jones. Welcome, Dick Jones. We've got a new guest coming in here. Welcome to you. Shall we welcome to the family? Shall we give him a welcome? Put your city and country in, Dick Jones, and we'll welcome you to the family. What software am I using? Lots of different softwares, mate. This is my studio here in Texas. Welcome to the show. Lovely to have you here. And please put your cities and countries in and welcome Dick Jones into the house. Sounds like a name. Dick Robinhood. Sounds like a name. Yeah, I use Robinhood. Where are you from? What part of the world are you from? Love to know where you're from. Hey, Caden Youngquist is here. How are you, Caden? Lovely to have you here. Thanks. You're welcome. Yorkshire. Lovely Yorkshire. I got Yorkshire tea here. Sent all the way across from England to America. Oh, yeah. Yorkshire tea. Mr. Lucas, if Mullen hits a $1 overnight, let's go to a strip club. Your wife won't appreciate that, nor will mine. There's no way we're doing that PPI tomorrow. Don't get sucked into thinking this is the bottom again. I'm not 22. I'm not buying anything that's going up. I'm buying stuff that's going down. A Logan Slasher Gang, Redruth, Cornwall. There you go. Sam, New Haven and East Sussex in the UK. Wonderful stuff. Wonderful. Right. Now then, I've just thought of something. I can take a 1 minute break. And do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do something I've never done before on my show. Let me see how many people I've got in the channel. Let's see if it's worth it. I'm going to do something right now. Okay? We want Virgin Galactic stocks to go through the roof. All right? We want Virgin Galactic stocks to go through the roof. Don't we? So what we're going to do now, I'll go to the clubs tonight. I'm in Miami. Caden Youngquist, you're a young man, a single man. Me and the rest of us here, we're all married men. We don't do stuff like that, all right? We don't do stuff like that. We want to remain married. At least I do anyway. So there you go. Let me bring up something I've not done before on the show, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to take a couple of minute break. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something I've never done before, so I don't know how it's going to work. And at the same time as doing this, we're going to promote Virgin Galactic. Can anyone guess what I'm going to do? I wonder if it'll work. So let's just try it. We've just been buying this morning Mullen. Someone's bought 30,000 shares. I bought 620. I'm on a little vacation. Very nice indeed. Ed, are you in real Jersey? Right, here we go. Let's bring up this. Let's see if I can do it. Not done this before, so let's see how this works. Here it is. I've noticed we're going to celebrate. We have just hit 1,000 views, so I'm very excited about it. 1,000 views. Here we go. Let me turn that off. All right, right. I'm going to take a very short break. For those of you who don't know, I'm the World Piano Man. If you've never checked out my music channel, it's below the main video here, but below the main channel. If you want to go and check out my videos, see, look, on the music channel, go and check it out. This is the video that if I make $1 million on it, I will buy $1 million worth of Virgin Galactic. That's my promise to you. This is the Virgin Galactic single. It's been sent to Richard Branson. I'm going to play it for you now and take a little short break while I do. Hope you enjoy it. I want to see everybody blow up the chat all the way through it. Are you ready? I want the chat to blow up for Virgin Galactic. I will see you back in 2 minutes. Here is the world premiere of me playing it live on the show. I'm very excited about doing this. Let's see how this works. And are you ready? Here is the Virgin Galactic single. You ready? Let's see if this works. It's just hit 1,000 views, so I'm very excited. Enjoy the video. Here it comes. See you back in just a couple of minutes. Is there anybody out there in space? Is there anybody out there in the dark? Is there anybody out there on a star to travel through space in my rocket ship, through the light and the dark and home? I remember many years ago, it started here in my record shop. I've traveled all over the world in my balloons, trains and planes. As I traveled so far and wide, I had a dream out there and far beyond. The dream has grown now, and now the time is near to travel through space in time. Is there anybody out there in space? Is there anybody out there in the dark? Is there anybody out there on a star to travel through space in my rocket ship, through the light and the black and home? I remember she was 96 years old. I lost my Eve, I lost my mum. She was taken but never lost, as she will fly you now to my dreams. This is the beginning of traveling into space for all to share and to enjoy. So all come join us and soar into space, high above the world and back again. Is there anybody out my rocket ship, through the lights and the black and home. Is there anybody out there in space? Is there anybody out there in the dark? Is there anybody out there on a star to travel through space in my rocket ship, through the lights and the black and home. There we go. There is my official single of Virgin Galactic. I hope you like that. And if whatever money I make from that video, I will be spending on Virgin Galactic stock. So if I get to $1 million, I will spend $1 million on it. If you would like to go and watch the video and share it and own the video and so on and so forth, here it is. Here is the video for you. The Virgin Galactic song, and if you put it on loop, the more you watch it, the more it gets seen, the better, and the more money it makes, the more money I will spend on Virgin Galactic stock. Did you see my message? What about brother said to me on my wedding day, Martin? Let me scroll up. No, rather than scroll up a million messages, can you mention it again? Sam, I missed it. Charlie Bucket, hello my old friend. Charlie Bucket is back. Fan-flippin-tastic. Lovely to have Charlie Bucket. We gotta have a golden ticket. Gotta have a golden ticket. There we go. Here's Charlie Bucket. We love Charlie Bucket. All right, Alex C. And what are you thinking about Ocado shares? I invested 18,000 last night. Has anyone got any thoughts on Ocado shares? I don't. Sam, send your message in again. Very nice, Martin, says Ed Nevius. Beautiful, says Andrew Grady. And Crag, I haven't forgotten. I'm recording your song. Okay. Pete Barker, Virgin Galactic is a spaceport in America. Is there something big happening today that needs filming with a chase plane? Keep an eye out for Eve leaving the hangar with something attached. Oh, hang on a minute then. Let me just go and have a little look. Let me have a look at my information, because I have information about this. Let me have a little look. Virgin Galactic. Let me have a quick look. Let's have a little look. Spaceport Mojave. Okay. We're looking at it right now. We'll keep our eye on it. Nothing at the moment, so we're just gonna look at this, keep this on the screen. This is our Virgin Galactic camera from space. Oh yeah, the Martyn Lucas Investor YouTube channel has its very own camera, sort of sitting in the sky like that, looking down straight on Mojave Spaceport. I'm looking at it. I know what's going on. All right, there you go. So I'm looking at it right now. We've got some news here just come in. From Mark Zuckerberg said Meta would shed 10,000 jobs over the next few months, targeting middle management, and that 5,000 other roles would remain unfilled. Let's go to Meta shares right now, up 5.9% today. Let's go through all our positions and see where we are right now. We're keeping an eye on Mojave, of course. Let me go over to it right now. We'll go through all our positions. Let's see all the news. Here is my overall position here. We're up at 35,440. Let's have a look at my Roth IRA, up 1%. The challenge was, would I reach $45,000 today? And like 30%, like 67% said no. And you're always wrong. Whenever you say no, I go the other way. Let's have a look. 44,982. $12 to go. I could do it on Mullen alone. So let's see what happened. I've got a comment here. My brother told me to put my hand on top of his wife's hand. My brother said to me, Sam, that's the last time you'll ever have the... My brother told me, I'm going to put that on the screen. That's funny. My brother told me to put my hand on top of my wife's hand. My brother said to me, Sam, that's the last time you'll ever have the upper hand. He's a smart man. It's not about being right. It's not about being right. It's about staying married. All right? It's about staying happy. It's not important. It's not about being right. And there's a saying we have in America, and it's true. Happy wife, happy life. It's very true. All right? There's my little words of wisdom for you. Bill, thank you, Bill. Thanks for tuning in, mate. Moody's cuts outlook on U.S. banking system are negative, citing rapidly deteriorating operating environment. Ouch, says George Semaine. So, this is why I am not buying all the pumps today. I'm not buying anything that's gone up. It's not a bull market. It's a bear market rally. No question about it. As you can see, we're not that far off now. So we're just enjoying the fact we're up. We don't know how long it will last for. Doesn't matter. I don't have to buy all the pumps on the way up. Now, earlier on, Muzanella, are you still here? You were at 1,030 subscribers. We're going to check on it again now and see if it's moved for you. Not yet. It's one away. It goes up in tens now. Look here. I want just a few more of you to subscribe to Muse's channel, the investment channel. There it is. Let me give you the links right there. 3 times. It's 1,030. It goes up in tens. We want 1.04, and I want to be able to show Muse we've got him some more subscribers today. It goes up in tens. Most of you subscribed before. If anyone hasn't, please go and do that. It'll be very much appreciated. All right. Okay, I'm back. He's back. You can't stay away. You can't stay away, can you? All right. Of course you can't. Best show in the world. Best YouTube channel in the world. All right. Let's bring everybody up to date. And we've had 975 people through our stream today. Incredible stuff. Andrew Grady, yes, please, to the referral. 6769. Another 2 subscribers. Look at that. And if we get 100 likes, we'll give away a cash prize. Dick Jones. Dick Jones. Where in the world is Dick Jones? Did someone say? Dick Jones. Where in the world are you? Did he say he's in... Oh, no, Yorkshire. That's right. He's in Yorkshire. You're watching the wrong airport, Marty. Evie's in the hangar at the Spaceport America. Oh, I'm watching the wrong hangar. Okie dokie. Thank you very much indeed for bringing me up to date. Let me come out of this a minute. Go back to Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is going down. Let me have a look. Now, you said I'm looking at the wrong hangar. I'm at the Mojave. You are watching the wrong airport. Even in the hangar at the Spaceport America. Last cruise. Check out flight history. Thank you very much indeed. Let me have a look. Nothing on there. N24GA. N24GA. Okay, this is Las Cruz. Okay. I'm looking at that. Spaceport America. Just searching the airport now. I want to be in the right place. That doesn't come up. How can I get to the airport? Virgin Galactic is going down. Mullen is crashing. Let's have a little look. Mullen is going down. There you go. What's the name? How can I find the airport? What is the name of the airport, Pete? Spaceport America doesn't bring it up. Las Cruz International Airport. No, that's not what I want either. Spaceport America doesn't come up. I'll wait for you to come back to me on that one. Sorry, Dick. Bonkers this rally. There is no chance the situation ending well. I feel like it's just algos pumping an oversold market, and like usual, the retail investors will be sucked in and then dumped. And not me, they won't. I'm not buying it. I think it's crazy. So, if you buy Mullen, so this is what you wait for. You decide how much you want to spend on it, and then just move when it does this. We're watching it now. Should we buy it when it goes down 1.68? I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll double my position if it goes down to 10. I think that's how I'll play it. Spaceport isn't listed as it's not a commercial. No, I know. So how can I find it on the map, Pete? How can I find it on the map? Las Cruz International Airport. I've got that. I'm looking at that right now. Anyway. We'll just keep our eye on it for the minute. Let's go back to our main portfolio, 35. Right. I'm waiting for the opportunity of Coke or... I don't know now. I think Lucid is just too cheap. Let me ask a poll now. Are you joining me? 50? Yeah, 12 of you are. Let me end the poll. Let's do a poll right now. Would you buy Lucid? Should we buy Lucid? It's now down at its low again. Okay, yes or no? Yes or no? 757. Lucid. Apple. Amazon. Don't buy anything that's going up. That's the golden rule today, I think. Coca-Cola. Oh, I so wanted to get some of that. J&J. SEC and Justice Department reported investigating SVB's collapse, including insider stock sales. No surprise there. I'm checking the activity now at Las Cruz International Airport. I wonder if I can save this as a destination. No. No, can't. I'm confused about what to do when signing on to 212. Dick Jones, I can't help you, I'm afraid. If you want to talk to our team and get some expert help from everybody, here is the Discord link. Can I give you the Discord link? And then you can talk to everybody when we're off air. I know we're on air nearly all day, every day, but we're not always on air, believe it or not. I do actually sleep and do other things. There is the Discord you can join. If you become a member, then we can answer all your questions, reply to all your questions, many, many more things I can do. Here, if you'd like to be a member, ask our members. You'll see that 95% of our live viewers are members. There you go. Become a member and you get 20 times back what you put in. It's why everyone here is a member. You can see that. What's Dick doing? Do I click on invest or CFD? Dick, have you ever invested before? Are you just starting out? Are you just starting out, or have you invested before? What's your level of expertise, do you think? $35,000. Mullen. Check out videos. They provide guidance. George Tremaine, there you go. Funware, down 13%. We bought a little bit there this morning. Oh, you're new. Right. Dick Jones, let me just tell you, right? In this channel, you have got some very experienced investors, chart readers, traders, day traders, scalp traders, long-term investors. But what this channel does is it shares our real trades, our real money with all of you, okay? This is not a channel to make videos, to promote videos. I am trying to build the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. That's my aim. With my music channel and this channel, I want to build the best, most honest, real channel, right? It's not about getting you to click on my videos, doing clickbait, any of that sort of stuff. It's about sharing a real journey, okay? Now, I started a year and a half ago with $5,000. This is my actual money, my actual position. I'm not a professional investor, obviously. I'm an entertainer, just a musician, an artist. But this is my real money, my real shares I'm sharing with you. And I would strongly suggest... Mark Corn has come back as a member. Welcome, Mark. Thank you very much indeed. I would strongly suggest, before you do anything, just tune into the show regularly and learn from everybody and listen, because we'll always tell you the truth, right? We're not here to sell anything or promote anything or anything. Just sharing and watching. And it's a wonderful time to come into the market, because we are approaching the bottom, but we're not there yet. But you don't have to buy the bottom. I bought the top all the way down for the last year and a half. But go steady and take it easy. And I'd love to help you more, and I will talk to you more. I just need to focus on Mark Corn at the moment, who's just come back. One of our members who's got a gold badge still. It kept your history. That's kind of cool. So here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. There he is. We got a new member. He's back again. Fantastic. And there we go. Now then, I've got a comment in here which is very, very important, because as I said before, we aim to be the most real, honest YouTube channel there is. But we do get clowns come in from time to time, like this guy here who we ignore. I did start from $5,000. We get clowns come in. Can one of my moderators time out George, because he's making up mistruths again, and we don't want that in the channel. In fact, I'll do it now. There we go. There you go. We get people come in who make up stories and say silly stuff and whatever, because this channel is growing. So we get lots of bots. We get lots of... crazy people come in. But I did start with $5,000, exactly right. And the only money I've ever had is the money I've made from this channel and my YouTube journey. Everyone's seen it done live. Everyone's been here the entire time. Let's do a video call, Mr. Lucas. Show everyone my 5,000 shares of 500,000 shares of Mullen now. Oh my gosh. We've got Mohammed loading up now. 500. That's funny. I like that, Andrew Grady. That's very, very good. Let's do a video call. Right, Mohammed Kahine, you can do a video call. You can call in. So as a member, you need to use Discord. I need to upgrade you on Discord. Here is Discord. You need to go into Discord and I can upgrade your account. There you go. There is Discord. And I will go over to Discord and you can do a video call. The broadcast lounge is open. So if you go into the Welcome All channel, You can call on to the show. Let me go into welcome all now. I don't think you've ever called in before, so we need to upgrade your account as a member. So go over to the welcome all on Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get in if you've not done it before. Come in here, and we will we will upgrade your account, and then you can call in. So please do. Absolutely. Okay. Actually, he did. I've been here from the start. Yes, there you go. Mark Corn will tell you. He's been here from the beginning. It's boring. Yeah, we're talking about George, this clown who comes in and talks nonsense. I made a mistake of signing up to Trading Powers, and I got the impression they are a scam. They lost my money on the first investment they advised to start with. Please do not do anything that anyone advises you to do. Dick, take a step back. Take a step back from spending money. Don't spend any money. Please don't. Just stop. Watch the show. Become part of the family. Learn from people. I'm here to help and support and protect. Okay, from people like George who pop on in and talk rubbish. So we're here to help. No, you don't need anyone telling you what to buy or click on this, or anyone on TikTok messaging you and God knows what else. Just make your own decisions after listening to what we're saying here. Martin, the easiest way to find the spaceport is if you search for, thank you very much indeed, N348. Thank you very much. Let me do that now. Here we go. N348. N348MS. Okay, thank you very much indeed. There we go. Okay. Okay. So it's not live at the moment anywhere, but I've got it on the screen. Thank you very much indeed. That will save now, won't it? Once I've searched it once. Let me just do that. Let me just check that. Yes, it saves it. Good. Okay, there's the White Knight. And we'll say, I've got it on the screen now. Thank you very much indeed for that. Pete Barker, appreciate it. Can we do a video call? I can show you my 7 shares of Tupperware. I would love to see it. Andrew Grady, I would love to see your 7 shares of Tupperware. Please do, call in. Okay, so Dick Jones, he said, okay, cool. Let's calm you down. Slowly start. I want to help Dick, because I would have loved to have started today, not a year and a half ago. However, you learn nothing from success. You learn everything from failure. Yeah, not this George. George Semaine is good. George Semaine is a member. It's the other clown who comes in. He's probably a 10-year-old kid living in his mum's bedroom. Absolutely. Absolutely right. 22 is telling you right there. Just practice first. There's no rush. There's no rush. I know when you first come in, it gets very exciting and you want to start trading and making money, but there's really is no rush at all. And the first thing you need to do, the first lesson you need to learn is getting rid of the FOMO, the fear of missing out. The first thing you want to learn is get rid of the FOMO. Get to where you are completely relaxed, completely happy, and, you know, totally relaxed about everything. That is the most important thing. You mean basement, not bedroom. Mum's basement. Anyway. I wanted to just share this on the screen with Pete Barker. There you go. I've got it saved now. Thank you very much indeed. I've got White Knight saved. So whenever it moves, I shall get information. Thank you very much for that. Appreciate it very much indeed. I have FOMO. Everyone does when they start. And it's the biggest problem. It's the biggest enemy you have. Biggest enemy you have. All right. Now, what I strongly recommend you do, and everyone can help you now. This would be really great. And I'm not trying to get you to become a member. Honestly, I work for my members. The membership that you pay is a couple of bucks a month, right? If you are at the lowest level, the bronze level, you'll notice everyone's got a badge. If you become a member, I'm going to give you a link and you can phone in right now, and I can discuss with you and help you. And I want to help you, right? It's why if I wanted to make money, I would be. Paddy April is back as a bronze member as well. Thank you, Paddy. Paddy's from Italy. Here is the link to become a member. I want to give you Discord, and I want you to be able to speak to my investors and traders off air. I also want you to be able to, I want you to call into the show so we can answer your questions live on the show, because you've got an amazing opportunity to come in at this point. I came in at the markets when they were at the top. I did that for a reason, because I started a YouTube channel, and I wanted to do that because, you know, I grew my YouTube channel, and my aim is not about just making money. For the first year, I worked for free on a YouTube channel with, you know, earning no money. I wasn't monetized or anything. That's what this channel's about, is growing and being honest with people. So I want you to call in so we can talk to you, get to know you, and help you, all right? Okay. So I've got two celebrations here I've missed. So first of all, I want to celebrate Mark Korn, who is back as a member. So thank you, Mark Korn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he is. Thank you so much indeed, Mark. And thank you very much indeed. I also want to welcome back, who's been a member from Italy now for a year and a half. She's back as well. Paddy April in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much indeed. She's back as well. Thank you very much. Lovely. Thank you ever so much. Mr. Cornwall, I'm watching you in college. Thank you very much indeed, Mr. Cornwall. How are you, by the way? How are things going? I just want to warn everybody, this is not the start of the bull market. My portfolio has bottomed. It bottomed in December. I stand by that. And I believe that is the case. However, this is a bear market rally. And the reason why it's bottomed is that I've been buying the dips on the way down. So I'm holding my portfolio from going lower by buying the dips. So whenever I get a stock that's dipping, I buy it. We're having some fun with Mullen today, if you've just tuned in. And we're doing an extended show today, it seems. This wasn't the intention, but we are still here. We've been on air since, 4 hours now? Something like that. Crazy time like that. Anyway. We just hit 965 views of our channel on this video. Incredible. That's a really good number for us. I'm good. How are you? And what is the latest news? Well, we've had some fun this morning buying Mullen. You can see Funware we've started to buy. We've had at the beginning of the video, half an hour in actually, we had Muzanella, Ali Tizro, and Ed Nevius call in about the state of the markets, the crypto position, and also our Mullen position. We had a great conversation about that. Check that out. That'll come out later as a video by itself. 44,972. We're seeing a drop now in my portfolio due to VORB. VORB popped up this morning like 8%. It's gone back down again. So Virgin Orbit this morning popped up like 8% at one point. It's not showing here. It was at 8%. It's now falling back. A classic pump and dump. I'm trying to just hold my position. I'm not buying anymore. I'm very wary of it. We know Richard Branson had just made, I think, 5 million last week investment in Virgin Orbit. I was at the Virgin Orbit space station. If you want to see that, go and check out my playlist in the UK. I was there. And I'm going to the space station in New Mexico later on this year as well. I am concerned it popped up like that because Richard Branson has a special deal where he can get his money out, even if it defaults and goes bankrupt. That concerns me. Anyway, Tesla, Lucid. We asked the question, should we buy Lucid? 70% say no. Apple going up. Amazon. Running away right now. Got a nice position now. I'm still 5% down. McDonald's. Coca-Cola. J&J. I'm really interested that this is going sideways now. My lowest position, my lowest ever price was 151.85. It's $1 away from my all-time low. Virgin Orbit's bouncing back up again. Latest news, Martyn does do water dancing. I would recommend practicing and finding your edge. I'm waiting to see if our guest here becomes a member, and then I want to invite him in to discuss. Because once we get, the reason for being a member as well is we can verify people's accounts. We know they're real. We don't know if people are playing or messing around until they become verified, do we? D Wolf, I got a comment here from D Wolf. I missed it. Maybe a dumb move, but earlier in the volatility, I sold a 45 strike cash secured put on FRC and collected 900 in premium. Already way up. D Wolf, I'm not an options trader. That's not my expertise, but we do have people that are. If anyone could pick that point up, that would be great. No cabbage patch, no cabbage soup tonight. Charlie Bucket, what are you on about? What's he on about? Charlie Bucket with his golden ticket. He's been a member now for quite a while. He's got a yellow badge now. That's 6 months. I think 6 months, isn't it? Brilliant. You'll be turning gold soon, my friend. Right. I'm looking at J&J. Coca-Cola is too expensive now. I've got plenty of money in my Roth IRA. I've got 598. I'm looking to buy a dip. I could buy Virgin Orbit going back down, but I don't like it. It concerns me. The S&P is a good buy, but it's too expensive now. If a trade plan goes wrong, cut the losses as soon as possible. Absolutely, don't be afraid to sell for a loss and get out. George, highly recommend becoming a member of this channel using Martyn's link. Thank you so much indeed, George. That's very nice of you. Virgin Galactic, very nice indeed. Let's go back to White Knight and see if it's flying yet. Any news at all? Not yet. We did hear earlier that White Knight might be in the air today, so we're keeping an eye on it. We'll see what happens. Nothing yet. I just got Discord sorted. Okay, so let's go to Discord now and we can hopefully welcome you in. So, Dick Jones, this is what you will see on Discord. Let me bring it on the screen for you. Right? This is Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get through because of high security. We don't want scammers or idiots coming in. So what I want you to do is come into the welcome all screen here on the left hand side. Okay, welcome all. See here on the left hand side, and then you will come into this channel here, and you will go hello here. Once you go hello, link to my tips on your Discord. Okay, come into here, and we can welcome you in. Okay, that's the first thing you have to do. I will come back to that. Once I see you appear here, I will know it's you. All right? Take your time. No rush. All the time in the world. Just come into welcome all when you're ready. Remember, the best way to make money is to be calm. Never, ever rush. Anyone who wants you to click on anything, now, do this, buy this, Don't listen to those people. Right, all right? Just take your time. There's no rush for anything. Right, Dick Jones. Here we go. So, first thing I want to do is make sure that you've got the same name so people know it's you. So, Dick Jones, just confirm on the screen that this is you so we know this is you. Because people will come on into Discord, pretend to be you, and try to get benefits, all right? Dick Jones, just confirm that this is you. And I will lead you on to the next part. Okay, so in YouTube, just go yes. Now, to get all the benefits, to be able to get to talk to all our traders, Muzanella, Ali Tisro, these are all serious investors here on the left-hand side. You need to be a member of our channel. Now, you can be a member, bronze, silver, gold, investor or sponsor level. So we have people all the way from bronze, a couple of bucks, all the way up to investor level. No, we don't have investor level. We have sponsorship level at 99 bucks. I recommend, if you're not a YouTuber, just be a bronze member. And here's the invitation to join. Once you become a member, then we can verify you and we can upgrade your account. All right, there is the invitation to join. And you will see that everyone is a member here of our channel because they get 20 times back what they put in. It's not about the $2 a month I get from you. It isn't. The $2 a month helps provide and keep the show live. If I wanted to make money, I would just make videos. The membership support is to keep the shows live so I can then be here for you 10 hours a day, support you in any way I can, and bring the family and community together. To do that, and then I can upgrade you on Discord, okay? I'll come back to you if you decide to do that. You don't have to do it. You can watch for free, and you can be in Discord for free, but if you upgrade, I will show you what happens. All right? Anyway, let me come back to this a minute. Thank you, Moose, for your information. We'll come back to those links in a minute, and we'll come back to Dick Jones in a moment. Let's see if he becomes a member. And if he does, we'll move on to the next part. Mullen. Now then, who's buying Mullen now? Down she goes. This is purely for fun. This is not financial advice. This is not investment strategy. This is just for fun. Okay? And we said if it drops, I will double my position. But it'll have to drop to about $10. There's no point buying any more until it goes down to $10. Then I'll buy, then I will double my position, and then that will half my loss. Remember, this is a long-term investment for me anyway. If Muzanella is correct. But don't suddenly buy it now if it starts to move. Wait, give it some time. Okay. Did I just notice that Paddy just became a silver member again? She upgraded. Thank you so much, Paddy. Let's celebrate Paddy. Thank you so much for that. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Thank you very much. Thank you, Paddy, ever so much indeed for becoming a silver member of our channel once again. Thank you very much indeed. Now you know, Paddy, what you get from being a silver member, right? You already know, right? Because you've been here for a year and a half, right? Okay. If you don't, ask me and I'll refresh your memory. "95 times from here." Charlie Bucket. "Good afternoon," says T.O. Roll. Is Dick Jones still in the chat? I don't know where he's gone. Is he still here? Or we lost him? Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Let's look. We're trying to buy Coca-Cola for the dividends if it goes cheap enough. It's got to go down. J&J is falling again. Right. I'm buying at 151.80. So another 60 cents and I'll buy some more J&J. I like it. Is there any point if I only have... Yes, there is. Dick Jones, let me explain something to you. It's not about how much money you have at all. It's about what you do with it. If you only have $1 and you buy a stock that goes up 100%, you've beaten the market. You've outbeaten the market. The market is 10, 15% a year. That's what you try to achieve on the S&P over history. So there's every point, absolutely every point. $500 is a lot of money. Every dollar. Now, we've got some very rich people here, and we have some people with hardly any money at all. I started with $5,000 and built this YouTube channel, and now I'm at look, where am I now? $45,000. $500 is a lot of money, but don't lose it. Invest it wisely. So let me put that comment on the screen. Is there any point if only have 500? Yes. Do I need to get more money to start with? No. $1 is all you need. $1 is all you need. So let's just take a moment now. This has been an extended show. We've got somebody in here who clearly is brand new to investing, just starting out. So I apologize for repeating myself to all the long-term members, but we've been here for a lot. We've been on air now for nearly 5 hours. I want to support and help Dick Jones right now. Okay, I wonder why it said anonymous. That's a bit weird. Anyway, so first of all, I'm talking directly now to Dick Jones just for a moment. First of all, Dick, put your city and country in. It's all about building a relationship and making friends with people. It's not what you know, it's who you know, right? And make friends with everybody. And it's all about trust and honesty. Put your city and country in so everybody knows where you're from. But all my members do the same thing. Let's really make an effort now to help this person out, right? You just become a member. I'm live every single day at the same time. This is our YouTube channel, and this is our TV guide. Think of it as a TV guide, upcoming live streams. Every morning for the opening bell and every afternoon for the closing bell. And if you click on these, I've always got the whole week scheduled out. I'm here every day, no matter if it's up or down, I'm always here. Don't matter how much money I make or lose, I'm always here. Always honest, always real, always live, okay? My aim is to grow the best YouTube channel. If I make money, that's a bonus. If I lose money, that's just how it goes, okay? And these will be in your time zone. So you click on one of these and it will tell you what time the show starts. Same time every day in your time zone. So that's how you know where everything is. Now, as a member, you can see all the members only videos behind the scenes. I strongly recommend the first thing you do is watch this playlist here, Investing on the Stock Market. Watch this playlist here. This playlist gives you all the basic fundamentals of what investing is. This is the playlist. So I'm going to share this link for you to watch. Here is this playlist. Very basic, very straightforward, simple stuff. All the easy stuff. What is investing? What is a stock? What is margin? The basic stuff. Go through and watch this playlist. Not now, of course, but later on today, right? Watch the playlist. Each video is like 3 minutes long. Simple stuff, really easy. And there's the playlist. So copy that little link there, and you can copy that, right? And you can watch that in your own time over the next few weeks, days, whatever you like, right? Now, as a bronze member, you have got a blue badge. It will turn green, yellow, gold, and eventually purple when you've been here for like 5 years. All right? Okay. As a bronze member, first of all, I will reply to every one of your comments. My job is to support you, right? You're supporting me by giving me a couple of bucks a month, right? So I will answer every one of your questions on YouTube. If you go below any of my videos and ask me a question, I will reply to every single question. You can ask me now as a member to do a poll. If you go, can you ask the viewers, should I buy a stock? and I will do a poll for you. If you want me to review a stock, I will review a stock. If you want me to buy shares in a stock and make a promotional video on it, if you give me a super chat for that amount of money you want me to spend to make the video, I will do it for you. Also, as a member, you can have a birthday celebrated in my studio. So Elton John named me World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. And on your birthday, for you or a family member, I will go behind me and I will do happy birthday from my studio. So this could be for your wife, your family, your friends. As long as they are a family member, I will do it for you. Okay, and then you get to keep that video. That's just a little gift from me for you to have because you are a fan of the show. Okay. There are many, many other perks you get as well. I'm just highlighting some of them. Now, one of them is really important. You can talk to all our traders and investors off air, 24 hours a day. They will share with you what they're buying. Now, before you even start to talk on Discord, most important thing is we're always getting people try to scam everybody. It's why you came through the security on Discord, right? But we still get people come in. I ban them straight away. They always call themselves Martyn Lucas with my logo. They're not me. And how you'll know they're not me is I never message you, ever. I never sell you anything, ever. They all want to sell you stuff. I only ever reply to your messages. I will never, ever message you. And on Discord, I have over 100, sorry, not Discord, TikTok, over 100 people pretending to be me. The bigger my channel gets, the more I get. So if anyone ever messages you about buying a stock, buying a crypto coin, don't do it. Never click on it. It's not real. It's always a scam. If you want to know what's going on, what we're buying with our real money, and you can judge us by our success, watch the show, ask a question, and we'll answer it. And then you can go out and do it if you want. But we will never give you, click on this Bitcoin and buy this. I never do that. Okay? Now you are a YouTube member, I can upgrade you on Discord. So I'm going to go on here now, and I'm going to right click you, and I'm going to give you a role of YouTube member. There you go. And as long as you are a member, excuse me, I've got itchy nose. As long as you are a member, you will have that status. Okay, now then, you can then you can now see, before you could see all the public channels. You can now see all the members only channels. You can talk to Muzanella, who's a professional trader. He has clients. It's not financial. He's not giving you financial advice. You can't buy a stock and then get it wrong and then go back and complain. It's not financial advice. He doesn't know your personal situation. Everyone's different, but he will share with you what he's doing. Ali Tizro, if you want the crypto, we've got a $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. I'm on the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge, and I follow Ali Tizro's tips. And you get a premium discount to his service as a member. Ed Nevius, you can talk to him. He does scalp trading every morning. He shares with you what he's doing. And you got access to all these channels. Now, every morning, we all get together, all the members, and we come in the breakfast bar. Every morning, we come in here, and we share thoughts and what we're doing, and we say hello, look. And you can do that. Or you can go into the general chit chat and you can ask everybody questions 24/7. Now, if anyone messages you called Martyn Lucas, they are not me. Please be very careful, because people will. People watch my show and go, oh, Dick Jones is new. I'm going to go in there and try and fleece him, get him to buy some rubbish stuff. All right. So don't listen to anyone. Just come on the show. Now, because you are a member, at the very bottom, you can see the broadcast lounge. You can call in. You can be live on the show, and you can actually call in to the show. You can go into broadcast lounge either on video or just on a phone call. You can call in. It's free. Just call on in, and you can ask me a question, ask anybody else a question. It's a member perk. You have a membership perk to do that. All right. Fantastic. I think we've covered all the basic stuff. Now, I think you're from England, which is where I'm from. The best platform that I use, the cheapest way of buying crypto for me, the cheapest way of buying any stocks, the best way is on Robinhood. That's what I use. This is what I spend my money on, right? Unfortunately, Robinhood isn't available in the UK until later on this year. When it comes to the UK, I will give you a referral link and you can get it and you'll get free stocks. All the other brokerages that you're using right now, like 212 and eToro, I've got all of those. I just don't like them. They're too complicated. You don't need complications because you can do your own research externally. You don't need a complicated brokerage. You just need straightforward, clear, simple. I want to buy this. I want to sell this. Now, you're starting out from the beginning. All right? If I was you, I would wait and do nothing. I would just watch what's going on, make friends, talk in Discord, see what we're doing every day. And I personally would wait another month or two until Robinhood comes out, hopefully another couple of months. Then you'll get all the free stocks from Robinhood. You can follow what I'm doing identically if you want to, but I'd never recommend you follow me because my belief in a stock is very different than yours. So you shouldn't just follow me or anyone. But at least then you've got an idea. So I would just wait and just hold on to your money for now, okay? Because you don't want to lose your money. And the biggest fear, the biggest problem is FOMO. And the greatest investors, people like Warren Buffett, lets the stock come to him. Doesn't chase a stock. If you notice today, I haven't bought anything that's going up. Even though my portfolio is up today, $600. Look how much money I've made today. And remember, this isn't real money until I sell it. It doesn't count until I sell it. This is my brokerage account. I'm up $600. My Roth IRA, I'm up 0.6. Overall, I'm now 44,943. All started out with $5,000. Okay. I'm in a privileged position because I have a YouTube channel which makes me money, and the money I earn, I put into this. Is Robinhood what's on your screen? Yes. It's free trading. I used to trade with Barclays Bank for years. Never made any money because I had to pay the bank so much money to trade. I made money on my trades, but by the time I paid my fees to Barclays Bank, I never made any money. Robinhood is free. It's designed for the retail investor. If you go and watch my playlist of the investing, how to invest, you'll learn all these basic principles. Very basic, very simple, not designed for professional traders, designed just for people like you and I. Regular people. All we want to do is have more money in the future than we do today. I'm not trying to become a millionaire, and I won't become a millionaire. Not with the amount of shares that I'm buying and the risks I'm taking. But I will have $100,000 by the end of this year, and I will have $200,000 probably by the end of next year. And that is more than I need because I have no loans, no car loans, no mortgage. I paid that all off first, and that's what everyone should do. All right, so there we go. Robinhood is on what's on my screen, yes. Okay. Lucid. Great advice to sit back and watch, listen till you feel comfortable buying into something. Absolutely. Now, I'm just going to leave you with this final thought. When you look at, let me give you an example. I'm just going to ask you now, what would you rather buy? What would you rather buy right now? I'm going to give you a little test. After what I've just been telling you now, this is a question for Dick Jones. Would you, what's the best buy? Dick Jones, would you rather buy the S&P 500 at $361 a share? Really expensive, lots of money, $361. Or would you like to buy Mullen for 16 cents a share? What's the best buy? What is the best buy? What's going to give, what's the best buy for you? What do you think? Tell me. I'd like to know what you think. Is Mullen the best buy, or is the S&P 500 for $361? What's the best buy? That's what he says to that. You've got no loans or mortgage. That's the best, perfect time to start investing. If you've got mortgage, if you've got car loans at 20% or credit cards at 20%, you've got no reason to be investing here. None. The first thing you should do is pay your credit cards off. Get your debt gone. When you got your debt gone, then you start investing. This Mullen doesn't look too bad. The fact that BlackRock just upped its position 26 million shares, and we all know that BlackRock is not into losing money. I'm guessing Mullen. No. No. You're absolutely wrong. You're absolutely wrong. Mullen, because something is cheap, it doesn't mean it's good value. Warren Buffett looks for companies that are good value. If I said to you a can of Coke is $1 and it's normally $2 in the shops, would you buy it? Yes, because it's half price of what it's normally worth, and you know it will refresh you, you know it will provide you with what you want. It's Coca-Cola. You know what it is. It's $2 normally. Today it's half price. That's good value. You buy a can of Coke for $1, right? Mullen is a new company that yet hasn't made any profits. It's losing money. It's going down all the time. It's got no track record. Doesn't really produce anything right now. It's one for the future. It's a penny stock. A penny stock is under $5, right? It might well in the future go to $100 a share. I don't know. Nobody knows. People that tell you it will don't know. They're only guessing. They don't know. Charts are simply predicting potentially what could happen in the future by what has happened in the past. The past does not prove the future at all, particularly on a stock. Okay? So Mullen may go up 1,000%. I guarantee you the S&P 500 isn't going to go up 1,000%. But what you're buying here is a company more likely is about to go bankrupt. We don't know. No history, nothing at all. It's purely a gamble. The S&P 500, however, sounds expensive because it should be. It's a basket of funds of the 500 most successful companies in America. You are buying the Rolls Royce. You're buying the Ferrari. You're buying the best companies in America. Now, these companies are all companies that are in this basket of 500 chosen by fund managers to be the best 500 companies in America. They have to pass certain criteria. They have to make money. They have to have history. They have to have this. They have to have that. These have been picked for you by the experts, people who will know more than me and you and ever will. So Warren Buffett has said, and he's right, if you only ever owned one stock and you just buy it consistently over the next 20, 30 years, this is what you buy. And in 20, 30 years, you will be up. No question. You don't invest for today or tomorrow, do you? Unless you're a scalp trader or a day trader. You just want to know in 5 years from now, 10 years from now, your $500 is going to be $1,000. You buy this, guaranteed, 100%. There'll be up years, down years, but overall you'll be up because this will constantly be updated and you will own the best 500 companies in America. Wouldn't you rather that than this? That's why 1.1% of my portfolio is Mullen. It's a bit of fun, which is like a lottery ticket. But which is boring, it's not exciting, it's not going to go up 1,000% today. Mullen can. We've seen stocks go up 1,000%, 4,000% in one day. This will never happen. What this will do is go up consistently 10, 15% on average over the years to come and pay a dividend along the way, passive income. That's why this is 12% of my Roth IRA, not 1% of it. But in my brokerage account, my main account, it is, just refresh the screen, 42% of my portfolio. That's why, despite everything crashing down, I am still up this year to date. Now, I don't have any desire to be a gazillionaire, and I never will be if I'm buying this and holding this as a majority. If I want to be a gazillionaire, I go to the casino and I buy millions of shares of Mullen. If I get it right, I'm a millionaire. If I get it wrong, I'm broke. But that will bring me stress. That will bring me fear. That will bring me, mate, on this show, I've cried. I got margin called. I lost. It was horrible. And I did that for a reason. I came in the market at the worst time possible. Worst time possible. I came in when the markets were at their highest to build a YouTube channel, to demonstrate without any shadow of a doubt the integrity and honesty of my channel. I bought at the top. I grew the channel in the worst time in history. So I learned the biggest lessons. Remember, it's not how hard you can punch, it's how many punches you can take. And all I did was lose money over and over and over again. But did I lose money? No. Because you only lose money when you walk away and go, that's what I've got. Now I am down. I'm going to share with you on the screen. I am down $41,000. Does that make me the worst investor in the world? No. It means I bought up here. And up here, I might have had 10 shares at $10. Kept buying, kept buying, kept buying, kept buying. I now have 1 million shares at $1. So I'm ready. It's called, as Sir Anthony Hopkins would say, digging the ditches. I'm prepared for when the market turns around. I'm only down $41,000 if I sell out and walk away. Because if overall I put in $77,000 overall. Started with 5, 77. Kept buying, kept buying, kept buying, kept buying, kept buying all the way down. So, but am I worried? No. I was worried. I used to have margin. I was stressed. I was worried. Oh my God, I got over my head. But I learned, you learn nothing from making money. Because if you make money, you think you're the cleverest man in the world. I can't lose money. I'm brilliant. I'm the best. And I have guys who work, friends of mine, who work on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Richest, most powerful, most knowledgeable people in the stock market. And I was telling them that I knew what I was doing when it was going up. And they smiled at me. They smiled at me and they thought, this guy, what's he on about? And then I learned. And now I learn, the more I learn, I don't know. And that's it. So it's not about being up. It's about being down. How can you handle it when you go down? What are you looking for? So when I asked you what the best stock to own was, Mullen or the S&P 500, for you, right now, it should be the S&P 500. And along the way, you'll make a bit of profit. You trim off the top and you buy some Mullen with it. That's what you do. That's what you do. Because you make some safe money. You make yourself $1. Look, Mullen's only 16 cents. You can buy 10 shares of Mullen for $1.60. Make $1 profit on your S&P 500 and spend $1 and buy some. Let it pop up. Make your 10%, 20%, 100% in a day. Yeah, it can happen. Trim it off the top. Do it again. And if it goes up, don't start buying it when it goes up, because everybody all gets all excited and it goes up and up. You're already in. I'm already invested. I'm not selling my shares. I'm holding my positions. I'm going nowhere. And that's how I feel about that. Let me read some of these comments. Martyn, today is my granddaughter's 13th birthday. Can I get a video, please? Yes. Octavio, are you a member? Yes. Octavio, what is your granddaughter's name? We're going to do happy birthday for you live on the show. So, Octavio, what is your granddaughter's name? I found T212 easy to use last couple of years in the UK. I use that. That's what Pete Barker uses. It has to reach $1 within 180 days or it has a chance to be delisted. Indeed. I am really happy on Rolls Royce. I invested 15 grand. Nice profit. Congratulations. Up just over 40% year to date. Congratulations. So we're just waiting now for Octavio to give us the name of his or her granddaughter, and we're going to celebrate a birthday live on the show. So let's get everybody back. Now, after the CPI release, do you see other important events on the calendar this week? Yes. PPI tomorrow. Yes, I do. It's physically impossible to be the worst investor ever as long as I'm around. N too deep. Listen to you. Yes, tomorrow. Big news tomorrow. 6:30 in the morning. PPI will be here. PPI month on month. There we go. The previous was 0.7. Consensus 0.3, forecast 0.4. Let's have a look at it. Producer's price. This is important. The producer's price for final demand in the US increased 0.7 month over month in January, the most in 7 months and higher than the market forecast of 0.4. Goods price jumped 1.2. We want to see that come down tomorrow. And the general census of opinion is it will. So let's go back. PPI 0.7, consensus 0.3. If this is correct, this is good news. We want to see PPI come down. All right. We want to see it go negative. It's 0.7 at the moment. Things are still increasing in prices. We want to see this go negative. Okay. That's what we want to see. So if it's 0.3 or 0.4, that's a move in the right direction. Okay. So you ask what's on tomorrow. That's what's on tomorrow. Octavio, I'm waiting to hear back from you for your birthday. At Octavio. Waiting to hear the name. I was just writing it to you. Okay, so here we go. We are going to celebrate. If you are a bronze member or upwards, you get a birthday celebration once a year for you or a loved one. And Octavio wants to give it to Elika, his granddaughter. So this is from Octavio to Elika. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to celebrate a birthday. And what I want is I'm going to bring up the YouTube channel. And I want everyone to say happy birthday. You've done this before, right? Here we go. So we're going to put the smoke in the studio. Leah's going, great. Yeah, love when you do that. Okay, love when you do that. And here we go. Let's bring up the live chat. I want happy birthdays to flood the chat. All messages. There we go. Okay. So, the name is Elika. Now, after the CPI release, do you see another important event on the calendar this week? Yeah, I do. There is on building permits. on Thursday, very important, and the consumer sentiment on Friday. So yes, there is more news this week. Yes, there is more news this week. But now we're going to celebrate a birthday. So, how many people are with me? 26. Good stuff. Okay, I'm investing in learning. The best investment you make is yourself, because it's you who earns the money and it's you who makes the decisions, not the stocks. It's what you do with it. Okay, so we're now going to do a happy birthday. Okay. We're going to go back to the studio. Here comes the smoke. It's a happy birthday now. Here we go. Let's get rid of the ticker on the screen. And this is for Elika. I want everybody now to do happy birthday to Elika. Copy and paste, every single person. One of our members is celebrating a birthday. Are you ready? Over on TikTok, you can watch it on the screen. I'm going to go over to this part of the studio now. All right. Okay. Everybody now, let's bring in the happy birthdays. Overlay. Here we go. This is especially for Elika. So you can keep this video. You got copyright of this video. You can download it. You can save it. I want everyone to copy and paste. Happy birthday, Elika. Every single person. Are you ready? Let's do it. Here we go. You ready? Here we go. Okay, here we go. All right, so here we go. I want to see happy birthdays scrolling down the screen. This is especially, I want it to keep copy and paste really fast all the way down the screen, especially for Elika. You ready? So this is a special video and made especially for Octavio. Okay, here we go. All right, we're warming up now. Nice. Okay, this video is made especially for Elika from Octavio. Apparently, it's your birthday today, so we're going to sing you happy birthday live on our show. So Elika, this is for you. Can you see all the happy birthdays coming down the outside of the screen? This is your video that will live forever on YouTube. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 to you. Happy birthday, Elika. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 to you. Happy birthday, Elika. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 to you. Happy birthday, Elika. Happy birthday to you, to you, to you, to you. Yeah, all right. There we go, Elika. That was especially for you from Octavio, one of our members on our channel. Have a lovely happy birthday. And this video will live forever on YouTube. And in 50 years from now, you can look back and remember the day you were famous all around the world. Happy birthday. There we go. That's especially for Octavio. So let's go back now to the main part of our studio. I love doing the happy birthdays. We love it. We love it. Okay, let's clear the screen a minute and let's get back. Is Octavio still in the channel? I wonder what Octavio was doing there right now. Let's go. Let's clear the screen. Okay, we're clearing the screen down now. And we're going to go back over to the studio. Okay, so let's come back out of here, and here we go, back over here again. There we go. So, was Octavio in that? Let's just make sure that Octavio was there. Has anyone seen Octavio? Did you see that? Let me just check. Didn't see them popping up in the chat. Anyway, great stuff. Happy birthday, Elika. Everyone played along. Thank you very much indeed. You're the man, mine. My pleasure. My pleasure. I love it. Right, we got to go. I've been here for like 9 hours. This is ridiculous. Straight through. We got the closing bell to do later on. I hope you enjoyed our special today. Now, we did a poll and asked you, would you like to have a St. Patrick's party on Friday? We had a poll, and something like 80% of you said yes. So on Friday, in the closing bell, we're going to drink some green beer live on the show, and we'll do super chats for shots of green beer. Crazy, right? The whole studio will turn green. You know I can do it. I can do that. I can do that. And then afterwards, we will do a chat. We will do a show on the music channel. All right. So, Dick Jones, you've now got that playlist, which I strongly recommend you go and watch. I gave it to you. I'll give it to you again. This playlist here on the homepage. It's the basic starters to getting into investing, so you understand the basic principles. There you go. I'll give it to you. And if you've enjoyed today's show and you thought, hang on a minute, he's a singer as well. I was voted as the World Piano Man by Elton John. Here is the music channel. And if you go there, there is the music channel. All right. And you can go and check out my music channel. And I do songs. I've got videos here with me with Sir Paul McCartney on the screen and all sorts of different things, different playlists. Thank you ever so much, everybody who's helping my music channel, because I'm just a few days away from being demonetized again. Please do, because I spent all my time on this channel. I'm not making enough music. So please do go to one of my playlists on the music channel. Click any one. It doesn't matter which. Click play all. If you can't listen to it or don't want to, just let it run. I need to get this video was made during a live concert. I need to get about 500 watch hours in the next week, because all those are about to fall off. And then click the loot button. See here at the top, there's a loot button here. Just click the loot button just there. Can you see it there? Look, that little button there. Click loop, let it run in the background, and see, look. Click loop. That's click loop once. That's not looping at all, and that's looping. There you go. All right, and if you do that, that'll help me keep my music channel alive, so I can do all my fundraisers for our charity work. All right. Yes, I'm here. Brilliant. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, Martyn. You are the best. Thank you so much. Now then, what you can do is you can keep that video. I'm going to show you how you can keep the video, and you can download it and get the copyright to it. All right, it's your video to keep. Let me just find it here a minute. Okay, here it is. This is what you need to do. If you want to keep that video and own that video forever, go to the video. Look, there's a clip button. And you can go to the part where I started singing, and it does a minute. And it doesn't matter if it's a minute long, longer than a minute, because people can carry on watching. But you can clip it, and you can save it. And you can save it onto your social media. You can text it. You can email it. You will own the video. From where I started celebrating the birthday onwards, you can own the video. All right? And it'll be yours forever. So all you got to do is clip it, and you can have that link and that video for yourself forever. Okay? And you can share it to all the family. You can text it, email it to people, whatever you like. You will own that video. Does that make sense? All right. There you go. I hope that helps. Now, if you're over on TikTok and you want to be part of our main show, join us on YouTube. Links in the profile. youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Do not reply to anyone on TikTok. There's over 100 who pretend to be me. They're not me. They're just trying to scam you. Please be very, very careful. All right. It's time for Day Trader of the Day. We're very, very late on it, but we're going to do it right now. We've been going all day. So, Day Trader of the Day. Let's bring everybody up to date. Put your position on the screen and let's see who wins today. Okay. So let's wrap up the show with Day Trader of the Day. Let me see. Any more comments to mention? Anything I need to talk about? Nobody in the broadcast lounge. I'm going to shut down the broadcast lounge now. Whoops, a daisy. There we go. Let's close the broadcast lounge. There you go. Broadcast lounge is closed, so you can't phone in now. One more to hit fourth. I knew it. Yay! 10,040. Did we get? Let's have a look. 1,040. Yes, we need one more subscriber. So here we go. Let me do it. Moose, I'm going to get you there. I'm going to get you there. You ready? Everybody, could you click on this link here? This is Muzanella's YouTube channel. Look, 1.03. We started out today 1.04. So 1,000. We started at 1,030. We got one more to get 1,040. We need one more person. So if one more person could subscribe to Moose's channel. He's a gold member of our channel. He's one of our top supporters, and we want to help him. So if we can get him to 1.04 in the next minute, once I do my Day Trader of the Day position, I'm going to put a minute on the clock. I'm going to come back to that. So here we go. I am up 1.55%. Ah, Dick Jones has just done it. Let me refresh it. 1.03. Yes, we did it. Yes, we always do it. We always succeed. Every single challenge, we always succeed. There we go. He started out today at 1,030 subscribers. He's now got 1,040 subscribers. There you go. We got him 10 subscribers, which is amazing because everybody on our channel had already subscribed. Moose, we've done it. Moose, we did it. Let me just let him know. Moose, we did it. We always get the job done. All right, okay. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. I need to get out of it. I'm very tired. I've been going like I don't know, 6 hours. I mean, it's we started at 6 this morning. It's 11. It's 11:15. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5.25 hours. Best show in the world, right? Best show in the world. I need to go and have a beer. If anybody wants to buy me a cup of coffee, carry on. Let me day trader of the day. So put your scores up, please. I am up 1.53. Here we go. Put your scores up now. 1 minute, 1.53% on my main brokerage position. Let's put a minute on the clock. Here we go. 1 minute coming up now. 1.53. Up 0.07. 1.55. Am I going to win again? Up 1.11. Up 0.07. Any more scores? Come on, we must have more scores. Am I going to win today? Thanks again to everyone, and see you all again. We'll be back in 2 hours 45 minutes. I can't believe it. Any more scores? It looks like I'm the winner. I don't believe it. Someone's up more than me. I'm up just finding your channel. Great stuff. Up 1.56. Brickmark goes into the lead. Damn it, I thought I was going to win for a minute. Lego Man and Charlie Bucket is up 4.73. Smashed me. I thought I'm going to win. No bloody chance. Sorry, Martin. Up. What? On your main account, 35.82. Damn it. I've got safe stocks, you see. Safe stocks. They're not going to do what Flutter Edits does, but he can trim off the top and buy more. But it's higher risk, but the rewards are greater. Down, but I strongly believe I will be up by the end of the day. Muzart, let's have a look. See Mullen. What's Mullen continue to do? Oh, it's bouncing back right now. Could have bought a nice little dip there. Went down, but I didn't touch it. I've already got enough. Anyway. So, the winner is Flutter Edits. Flutter Edits. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And let's roll in the sound effects. There you go. There you go. Right, that's it. I'm done. Thank you very much for ruining my day. But don't you worry about that, Flutter Edits. I'm glad you enjoyed yourself. All right, we're up. Did we get to 45,000 by the end of the day? 44,828. We've got a few hours to go yet, so I'm not there yet. See you back for the closing bell. Please, 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 1,000 pleases. Please go to my music channel. Click on a playlist. Click on a playlist and let it run in the background. You can really help me today. I've got just a week to go to save my channel from being demonetized. This is the American fundraiser we did, American Red Cross we did to save, to help those people in Turkey and Syria. Go and check it out. Go and click a playlist. Let it loop. Thank you very much. It's on the homepage of my channel. All right. Really appreciate it. That's it from me. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much indeed. See you back this afternoon. Crag, I'm working on your video. I haven't forgotten you. Let's play the credits. The credits should be good today. The credits should be good. We had a lot of super chats. We had a lot of members. You ready? Here comes the stars of the show. Here we go. Okay. We've got super chat. Jason Fallon. Crag. Oh, let me just move that over a bit. That needs moving over. That's better. There you go. Thanks for your support today. We got Jason Fallon, Crag, Musart did super chats. Thank you for that. And members Mark Corn, Paddy April, and Dick Jones. Welcome, Dick Jones, to the family. Welcome back our other members who had a pause for a moment. Thank you so much for coming back. Appreciate that very much indeed. That's it. I'm tired. That was a long show, but worth every second of it. Another good day, another wonderful day with all of you. See you back in a little while. So I'm not going to do a full speech. I just want to get out because I need to have a cup of tea and lie down. I want to say thank you ever so much, everyone. Take care of your money. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now. See you back this afternoon. Keep looping the music. I need your help. Bye-bye.